mo nga sa amin, Mima, ano ba yung wow ko na yan?
You see what you are fed. Not everything that's being posted. Una ka nga, Motorola ka naman. Wala ka na ngayon. Parang 2 million, kaya pa eh.
Kaya pa 2 million.
Kaya pa yung 2 million na matitino yung supplier.
Oo nga, no? Hindi naman ako kumikita sa kanila eh. Diba? Sa mga videographer eh. Bakit ko sila kailangan, please?
Etong coordinator na to, napakagaling. Bakit hindi siya ganitong amount? Eto, hindi naman napakagaling. Sikat lang. Bakit ganitong amount? Kung supplier ka, demanding for crew meal, don't make it harder than it has to. I don't care if I'm the best. I don't care if I'm the most popular. I'm quite confident and I'm quite happy where I am.
Tama. Ayan, introduce ko lang syempre, medyo special yung gabi natin. Kasama ko ngayon si Mr. Lota Palya and Mr. The Controversial. Mr. Jason Magbanwa, idol natin lang.
Hi. Thank you for having us.
Ayan. Buti na pagbigyan nyo.
Co-host ako, di ba?
Yes,
Perfect.
yes.
I get to ask.
Oo, yung co-host natin.
Iba yung pagtatatanungin natin.
Oo. Kasi pagkatapos natin kay Mima.
Oh,
Pwede rin. Ayan. At syempre, meron tayong guest ngayon. At yung guest natin, nanay nating lahat to. Mima nating lahat. Yan. Founder siya ng Weddings at Work at idol natin lahat. Please all welcome, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Benz Corana of Weddings at Work. Mr. Patuloy. sorry. Ayan, kinakabahan ako. Grabe yung mga kaharap ko. Oo.
Nawiwirduhan ako
First
na
time
nanay
ba to?
tawag sa'yo.
First time ba to?
Nawiwirduhan
First
ako.
time na guesting.
Oo, first
Pero
time.
hindi first time dito.
Hindi.
No.
Siyempre, Mima natin lahat yan, si Mima Benz.
Yes.
No?
Nasubaybayan ko yung 4 na set ng podcast.
Palit na yung itsura ng podcast.
Kamusta, Mima? Kamusta ang araw mo?
Okay naman, excited.
Yeah.
Kasi makikita ko kayo pero nakakaba.
Oo, di ba?
Pero
Hindi ka
busy
pa
na
sanay
ako.
sa ganito?
Live to eh.
Oh, pwede
Ibang
magkamali.
live eh. Pwede magkamali.
Pwedeng barubalin ka ng host.
Nandito ka pa. Hindi ko nga alam
Pwedeng,
kung tama
pwedeng
na nandito
ma-misinterpret yung sasabihin mo.
Oo.
Magagalit
Sa'yo,
mga
no?
planner.
Parang may hugot yun.
Alam na natin ano ending topic.
Yeah. At kasama rin natin ngayon si Sir Dino Lara.
Master
tsaka si
Dino, congratulations.
And Karen.
Karen, Dino and Karen just got married a couple of weeks ago in Raffles. If you were there, I'm sorry, you're not that important. Officiated by yours truly.
Yeah, Jason Bolo.
Yes.
Saya. Congrats, guys. Congrats. Still on a...
Tinanong ko nga siya, ba si Jason?
First mo ba yun? First mo yun?
Do as I say, not what I do.
Grabe. Ay, meron pala tayong papalapit na WowCon.
Yes,
Yan.
Alcon.
Kwento mo nga sa amin, Mima, ano ba yung WowCon na yan?
Kayo na lang magkwento. Kayo magkwento.
Gusto ko to, no? Para
Oo.
nagpo-promote ng
Para mas
pelikula.
maganda.
Oo, di ba?
Parang guesting. Okay, so yung WowCon, umattend ako, well, hindi lang ako umattend last year, naging speaker pa ako dyan.
At saka host.
Oh yeah, and I hosted it. Oh my God, no? Tapos, it's a gathering of wedding suppliers, essentially. And then, ang mga lineup ng speakers dyan is about, how it is to be a wedding supplier in the Philippine wedding industry as a business person, as a creative, and maybe as part of the community as well. So it was myself. Who else?
The speakers were ikaw, tapos si parang naman blanco. Last year, it was
your lawyer friend.
Yes, si Anton Diaz.
Oh yeah,
Or,
and Charisse was there.
Yeah.
Jaja was there.
Si mga speaker muna, si Janice Villanueva.
Yes.
Because she spoke about social media. And then si...
Charisse?
No, not yet.
Oh, the
Charisse
speakers.
is part of the panel.
Panel yan eh, panel.
Oo.
Okay.
Rachel Hamiro.
Okay.
About mental, parang how do you feel more convenient? Parang more comfortable and more confident. Kasi as wedding supplier, pinakamalaking problema natin is sarili natin eh.
Yeah.
Diba? Parang, hindi ka naman laos eh. Iniisip mo lang laos ka, tapos biglang malulos ka na. So parang yun, mind game. And then, we had 2 panelists. Isa is yung mga idol. I mean, parang, how did you get your business into that level? Si Eugene Sandejas of The Blue Leaf.
Oh,
Tapos
yes.
si
Oo.
Jeffrey of Manila Craft.
Manila Craft.
Tapos si Jaja. At saka si Charisse. Diba? Parang, super wow.
Oo.
And then another panel was kayo nila, Teddy, you, and Alvin,
Yung
going
matatanda.
global.
Matatanda.
global.
Yeah, so
Yeah,
parang
global. How
ano,
it is to, like, for me, filming weddings abroad.
Yes,
And for
oo.
Teddy, expanding the business outside the country. Yeah.
Yes. So,
Ganda.
yun yung WowCon. Parang we learn from other people. And then parang sit down ka lang to reflect. Where am I? Where do I want to go? Parang happy na ba ako where I am? Gaano pa kalayo pwede kong puntahan?
Ngayon, anong aabangan namin sa Walk-On 2?
Ay, itong WowCon na to, super like ko. Parang, ay, anong topic mo?
Well, tapos pare, ito yung kakaiba dito for me as a long time supplier, dami mo makikilala na bago. And it's like it's so good. It's so great to see people who are starting out right now and trying out kung para sa kanila talaga yung wedding. Planners, coordinators, caterers, and yung mga even yung mga souvenir, no?
Yeah.
Yung mga namimigay ng souvenir, kaya mga
Food
mga
stations,
mamaliliit
food
na
carts.
food station, lahat 'yan makikilala mo if you like
How much do you put yourself
go
out
out of
there, no?
your way to hi.
This time,
hindi ko magawa yun dahil ako yung host eh.
Pero this time, we're gonna force everybody. We're gonna do networking talaga.
Parang bingo. ganun.
Nice.
Parang speed dating.
Okay. Bago ako, ano yung naka-line up na ano yung mga
For this
naka-line up?
year, ang naka-line up, si Velus for how do you price yourself? Ano ba yung tamang presyo? Paano ba magpresyo?
Oo.
And then Jason, and then Winston Lim, who was supposed to be part last year, ano siya, for Winston kasi, pag inisip mo yung negosyo mo as pangangailangan mo or as work, nakaka-pressure eh. Pero you think of your business as a service to people. And when you serve people, they would be willing to pay because you are giving them something they need, some value, and then you get the money. Parang work first as
What
service
does
and then
Winston do?
advance.
He's like a coach or like
He's a coach.
okay,
He's
like
also
a business coach, life coach.
Abenson person.
Okay. Like he owns Abenson, like
He works there or
okay,
he's
like he's like
relative of owner, I don't know.
interesting.
Uh-uh.
May
Yeah,
raffle ba na ref?
Winston, I've attended several of his talk and every
Interesting.
single time I attend, parang
You learn
sana
something.
marinig to ng mga wedding supplier, they really need this.
So
And then
itong-
si Faith Natividad, she's naman going to talk about AI.
AI.
How do
Uy,
you use AI?
exciting yun.
Yun nga eh.
Now, oo.
Di ba?
Oo.
Kailangan natin AI eh. So itong convention na to, hindi siya yung technical na ituturo sa'yo kung
No,
paano
no,
mag-video.
no, no.
Ito
No.
yung more on business, no?
Business siya.
Wow.
Business siya at saka like last year self-growth. Inner
Oo.
work yan eh. And then this year may panelists kami, 2 set. Isa coordinators kasi kailangan natin malaman yung whole picture na nangyari sa buong wedding
Tama.
para maiintindihan natin anong parte na nakakatulong tayo, anong parte nakakasagabal tayo. So the coordinator, feeling ko sa buong wedding, the coordinators are the most important because ini-stitch nila together and they're always the first to be blamed.
Yeah.
So parang
For whatever.
for whatever, oo. And usually it's not them. So parang ito yung time na hindi tayo magko-compete. Sinong mas importante, sinong tama, sinong mali.
Sino nga ba?
Wala eh. Dapat wala eh.
Dapat wala,
Dapat
no?
wala
Oo.
eh. Parang, so WowCon is that.
Okay.
WowCon is making
Na-imagine ko
everybody
yung panel na
understand.
yan, no? Yung mga panel, yung mga coordinator nasa stage, no? Tapos nakapaligid yung mga tao, may torches.
Ikaw isa ka doon? She's a friend. She's a friend. Yan. Parang ano lang, parang ang point ng WowCon and ang point ng Wow ever since is always bridging eh.
Yeah.
You make the supplier understand the couple. You make the couple understand the suppliers. Ngayon naman in a different setup. You make the makeup artist, the photographer understand the coordinator makes you understand the
Because
whole wedding.
within
otherwise, wala
ourselves
namang
muna.
ganyang opportunity eh.
Yes.
No?
Uh-uh.
Even in a wedding, I'm not gonna ask you like parang how can I help you or paano ko ba mapapagaan yung trabaho mo? Walang ganyan
Oo.
chance.
At saka parang ang pinaka-concept ko ng WowCon is ang dami nating question eh. Tama ba for a supplier na bago na ang baba ng presyo niya? Nakakasira yan ng market. Pero naiintindihan din natin bakit. Lahat tayo dumaan tayo sa mababa muna yung presyo eh. So parang ano ba ang tama, anong ba ang mali? Wala. Kailangan lang natin maintindihan lahat.
Yun. Yun yung nandun yung wow. Yun yung ituturo sa
Yun
WowCon.
yung gusto
Yes,
natin
yeah.
mangyari.
What
na
was your
isang-
feedback?
I
I want to know
super
the feedback
love-
of the WowCon attendees. This was July 2020.
July last year.
5. Go.
There's one feedback I super love. Parang Dandy is a couturier. Super happy na siya sa career niya. Wala na. Parang nasa stage na siya na feeling niya, done na. Nasa peak na siya, happy na siya. So, ginawa niya, nagtiteach na siya. After WowCon, narinig niya yung global. Shucks,
Pwede pala.
meron pa pala.
Oh
Tapos
no!
ngayon,
I think that's a bad influence. I think that's a bad influence. He was so happy with his life already. He was at peace. I am zen. But then after WowCon, I want more. That's terrible.
he's happy naman.
That's
Excited
terrible.
naman siya.
Growth yan.
From a place of satisfaction.
So, yun. Tapos, a lot of the other feedbacks were commonly such a refreshing place to be. Parang sobrang importante ng negosyo ko sa akin, pero wala naman ako nakakausap about it. Wala rin akong natututunan or napagtatanugan.
Oo.
So this is something na parang nagkaroon sila ng, I wanna be that. Oh, I wanna do more of that.
Nice. Ganda. Kasi 'di ba ginawa niyo yung WOW ni Abet, no? Kwento mo naman, ano ba yung history ng WOW? Kasi
Okay.
sa aming
Nung
mga bago, hindi namin alam yan eh. Medyo.
Pero alam mo storya ng wow? Hindi.
Hindi pa.
In a summarized
version. No?
Okay,
Pero,
so nung nagpa-plan kami ng wedding, 1997, for 1998 yung wedding, walang anything wedding sa Pilipinas. So sumali ako sa group sa US, ultimateweddings.com. Tapos e-group yon. Ang saya-saya-saya. Na sobrang, nagulat ako, universal yung feeling. Akala ko sobrang different ng white sa Asian. Sobrang pareho lahat ng feelings. Except when they discuss, parang, hey, I was able to get my photographer. Tapos yung sasabihin ng isa, wow, congratulations! So ako lost na ako. Bakit ka nagka-congratulate? Magaling yung photographer niyan? Mahal ba yan? Sikat ba yan? Or dahil may photographer ka? So parang yun lang yung nawawala ako. So parang ang saya siguro kung sa Pilipinas yung setting. So after nung wedding na
anong year yan? 79?
90s.
Year.
Dino! Sa Lola Dino!
Ayan.
So at that time, so after our wedding, I created something I wish I had. So yun na yung nag-umpisa yung wow. So e-group din kami nag-umpisa. Hindi pa ni Yahoo Group binibili yung e-group at that time. Tapos a few years
So when you're
yun.
saying e-group, it was a domain. It's like a billboard.
yes.
In-acquire lang siya ng
ng
Yahoo.
Yahoo Group.
Mateki ka ba that time?
Oo, kasi
Sobrang techie ka.
ma-MIRC ako, ma-chat-chat.
ASL.
Yes.
ganyan.
Ano po
Yes.
yung...
Tapos after nun, binili na ng Yahoo Group. Tapos hanggang sana wala na yung Yahoo Group. Parang, so we survived them all.
Wow. Okay.
Yes. So yun. So I just created something I wanted.
Wala pang Facebook nito, no? Forum
Wala
lang
pa.
na.
Wala pa. Oo. Mga 2010, 2011 yata ang Facebook.
Binuksan mo yung forum na yon. Tapos, paano siya naging, wow, paano siya naging ganun kalaki?
Kasi nga, wala at all eh.
Oo.
Okay. Before namin create yung group, meron kaming website for our wedding. Tapos, uso noon, pag may website, may guestbook. Dahil na-feature kami sa Philippine Daily Inquirer, which is the only source for wedding anything during that time.
Wedding section.
Wedding section every
Yeah.
Sunday.
Who's the EIC? Do you remember?
No, I forgot.
No,
But
okay.
we met them
Interesting.
kasi we went to the office of Inquirer several times eh.
Okay.
So we got featured twice. So ang lakas ng buhos niya sa guestbook ng website ng kasal namin. So lahat ng nag-sign up sa kasal namin, sa guestbook, yun yung first batch ng Wowis.
Tas,
sa guestbook ng kasal.
Ng kasal
Kasal
namin.
niyo.
Kasi wala
Dahil
kang...
hindi nyo lahat
wala
kaibigan.
Hindi namin sila at all kilala. Strangers.
Okay.
So, because when you see somebody's guest wedding, magtatanong kayo parang, sino ang coordinator mo? Sino ang... You don't know anybody. Wala akong kilalang supplier except lahat ng supplier ng ate ko.
Yun lang yung
Yun lang ang
idea
alam ko.
talaga.
Oo.
This was October 1998.
8.
Do you want the CD? A copy of the CD of your
I
wedding
have.
giveaway?
I
had.
have.
I was looking at my CDs eh. I saw it.
Oo, nag-repress pa kami niyan eh.
Okay.
Nung Las Vegas wedding.
Okay.
Tapos hanggang ngayon, dire-diretso na yung wow. Napunta na ng
Dire-diretso na.
Facebook.
Pero
Naiba yung
ano yan
format. Naiba.
Oo. Nag-transition kami to Facebook. Tapos, may ups and downs din yan. May times na parang wala kang gana, hindi ka na, parang, ang hirap for me eh. Kasi ang layo na ng wedding for me. Kasi mas mommy na ako, mas ano. So, Swerte naman, buhay pa.
Do you like Facebook as a platform now?
No.
No.
But I don't have any other
There's no
options.
choice,
eh,
right?
oo.
Why don't what are the things you don't like about Facebook?
It's not fair.
In what aspect?
It's like you see what you are fed. Not everything that's being posted.
Yeah.
Algorithm eh.
Got it. No. But is the algorithm, does that affect the
The groups, yes.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
May
Okay.
ganun din.
May ganun din. Oo. Oo.
Paano?
So parang
Lalo na
nakokontrol
kasi
siya.
ngayon, ang laki na ng group. Kasi noon, maliit lang yung group.
Oo.
So, kaya mo pang mabasa lahat.
Mm.
Ngayon, hindi mo na mababasa lahat sa sobrang dami. And sobrang laki na ng group.
And the last time I was with Benz, no, talagang iniisa-isa niya pa rin yung nag-a-apply, which is like this is hundreds, like on I guess on a daily basis na parang tiyatsaga mo yan, ganyang kadami na mali. May mga questions di ba? Na parang, are you going to get married? Blah, blah, blah. And
Wedding
then,
date,
you try to lead
yeah.
them, no? It's always not a hard no if they don't follow instructions.
Hard no if they are a wedding supplier.
Okay.
Hard no if their wedding is a month away. Hard
Okay.
no if their wedding is more than 3 years away.
I see. So those are
Kasi
the...
mga questions mo, mas hindi na makakatulong sa couple kung magjo-join siya 1 month before.
Correct.
What if may mabasa ka bad feedback about sa supplier you already book? Mapaparinig ka lang, hindi na ka makakatulong sa'yo, hindi rin makakatulong sa supplier mo. Na bigla kang, bigla ka magda-doubt sa supplier mo, hindi siya nakakatulong. Pag 3 years ahead naman, yung mga tanong mo, hindi ka pa seryoso eh.
Pero-
Shoot ka lang na shoot ng questions eh.
Ang nandyan lang is, syempre, mga couple, no? Mga bride-to-be tsaka groom-to-be.
Yes.
Halimbawa ako, supplier ako, pero ikakasal ako. Pwede ba ako dyan?
Hindi.
Benz, bad kami hardline about wedding suppliers joining the group. This is day one to eh.
Oo.
You don't like wedding suppliers in weddings at work. Why is that?
Because your comments and your answers to the question is always going to be
Bias.
self-serving.
Bias na siya.
At saka, ayaw ko rin mabasa mo kung ano sinasabi nila about you. Baka masira
Well,
pa yung
unless
kumpiyansa mo sa sarili
masokista ka.
mo. Lalo na when we started, di ba? Parang, when we started, people are not ready to tell you honest answers.
Yeah.
It took around 10 years, mga 2010, 2015, when people started being more social media. That was when people had an opinion. People voice out their opinion. Before that, maski pa galit ka na sa supplier mo, mareregaluhan mo pa at titipan mo pa.
There's a certain politeness.
Yes.
Certain politeness. Yeah, correct.
It's
correct.
good and it's bad. Parang may sample nga during my talk eh. When I first traveled, pwede sa airplano magsigarilyo. Di ba?
Ganda na ba katagal?
Na-imagine, wala pang wow yun. Pero na-imagine mo,
Bata ka pa doon, no?
oo,
bata.
na-imagine mo how we tolerate those practices because we never learned how to speak out.
Tama.
So it's not right also. So now that people have learned how to speak out, it's good for the society. Pero minsan no over, which is ganun talaga eh. There's no such thing as eto lang tayo, eto lang. Palagi lahat ng sitwasyon may good, may bad.
Tapos after ko ikasal, kick out na ako doon? Or,
Oo, nagpa-purge kami
Pero may
ng
next
group.
level yun, di ba?
Noon,
Nawi.
since 2018, 2019, we stopped adding na to now kasi
Dami na.
nasa 30,000 na eh.
Ang
Yung
dami
wow.
na.
So, hindi na namin kaya sila pumasok sa now. Kasi sobrang personal ng relationship sa now.
Tell them about now.
Now is newlyweds at work because we never thought we'd last this long. So, parang tinawag namin. Kasi nung nag-start yung weddings at work, so, mga bagong kasal, aabot sa point, after a few months, yung concerns nila hindi na about wedding. So, nagtatanong na sila sa group, may experience ba sa inyo ng ganito na non-wedding na?
Breastfeeding.
Yaya, at saka
rent.
doble yung regalo at mga 3 rice cooker na kuha ko at saka 4 na punch bowl eh.
I know.
Pwede ko ba itong iregalo?
In-laws.
In-laws. So we had to create a separate group na for Nawi.
For
So we call
Nawis.
it Newlyweds at Work.
Oo.
So until 2018, 2019, doon lang kami nag-stop mag-accept kasi sobrang lumobo ng wow.
Oh.
But you guys are gonna get old in now. Like, who's gonna move it forward if you're not accepting any more people in now? Does
Wala
it
na,
matter?
okay lang, oo.
It's fine.
Oo.
Like,
Kasi
let it.
at saka at that time, ang problema din namin, kasi at that time, 2019, 20 years old na ang WOW eh. May mga anak na kami na marrying age. And we don't want them sa now because we talk about the family, the problem, what we're going through, and we're not ready for our kids.
You were
to
shit-talking
be
them,
able-
no?
yung personal lang na pinagdadaanan mo, parang I'm really having a hard time. You don't want your kids to find out about
Oh
those
my
things.
God, ngayon ko lang na
So parang umabot
nalaman
kami sa
yan.
point, parang ano na gagawin natin pag yung
Sila-
mga anak na ang mag-join. Paano yung now? Sabi ko, cross the bridge when we get there. So hindi naman kami umabot.
That's
Ngayon
a
marami
long
na.
time. Makes you feel old talaga, no?
Yes.
Oh, that the daughters and the sons are
Getting
of
married.
marrying age. Which is, they're mid-20s basically.
Yes,
They're mid-20s,
kahit is 27.
26. Correct,
26
yeah.
turning 27.
That's right. That's right.
Buhay pa rin yung old website ng WOW or nandito ka sa Facebook na?
Ay, may website pa rin yung WOW,
Ay,
pero
I
more
mean,
on
yung-
online fair siya.
Yung forum pala.
Forum sa, wala na,
Wala na.
nagsara na si Yahoo Group eh.
Oo.
Pero meron pa ako ng mga emails kasi
Emails.
may mailbox ako na dedicated lang. Natatanggap niya lahat ng mails. So, nandoon.
So ngayon, ilan na yung ano na sa WOW?
Oh, what's the
30,000.
membership? 30.
30,000.
30,000.
That's a
Kasi
lot.
nag-aalis kami eh.
That's a lot.
One of the smallest group na kami.
Mm-hmm.
One of the smallest group. Kasi we really pruned at saka ng mga purging admins.
Nag-message ka pa sa akin. Tinatanong mo kung kilala ko
Oo,
yung
oo. Ayun.
Ayan.
talagang
Galing, no?
masipagan.
30,000 pero nagtatanggal kayo every time na may ano.
Tatanggal, oo.
So kung hindi kayo
Makikita mo yung join date eh.
kung hindi kayo nagtatanggal, mga ilan na yan?
Marami.
Dami
Kasi
na.
yung Google form pa lang namin sa mga nagjo-join, nasa 80,000.
80,000.
Yung mga
And kailan lang naman ang Google Form? 20 ano lang yan, no?
Yes, dami.
So,
May bayad ba yan? Yung
Wala,
pagsali? Wala
wala.
naman.
Oo.
Ano yung nakukuha nyo doon? Wala.
Nakikilala din kami ng supplier. Kasi yung mga closest friends ko na supplier, it's because nakikilala nila ako dahil sa brides.
Brides.
Oo.
Nice.
Marami sa mga close friends ko right now is hindi ko sila kilala before they got into WOW. So,
Nice.
nakilala ko sila after WOW. Even
So,
you,
network.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ano yung
found
nakukuha? Hindi yung nabalitaan yung condominium niyan sa Rockwell, sa Presidium?
Nepo.
3-bedroom
baby pala.
Salamat, wow.
Salamat, wow, no?
As if,
Hindi monetize
Dito
siya.
tayo,
sobrang
dito tayo.
mababa. Oo.
Not true.
Mas
Same
kawang
boat.
gawa.
Same boat.
Mas
Passion
kawang
talaga.
gawa. Oo.
Sana maging ganyan din kami, no? Yung monochrome, no? Pagdating ng panahon.
I think it's a lot
Gusto
of building, yeah?
Gusto natin kumita.
Linawin lang
Sana
natin.
may maisip tayo. Sana may maisip tayo na
Yeah.
talagang money making.
Nice, nice. Ay, punta tayo sa topic natin.
Oh,
Oh.
yes.
Yes.
What are we gonna talk about? Hello kay Nico.
Nico Kyoge.
Nico's here.
Yeah.
And yeah.
Ayan. Sir Jason, ito
Okay.
yung question.
Okay, let's go.
Ayan.
Let's go.
Sila-
Do we ask this, no? You
Yeah.
ask this to
Yan.
Okay.
Miss
Itong-
Beds. Sinend ko sa iyo.
I know. I was driving, man. All right. Okay.
Live tayo, live.
Para sa ito yung topic natin, Benz, no? Para sa matatagal na sa industry, ano-ano yung mga nakikita mo na evolution sa Philippine wedding industry?
Yes, so kasi parang nagsimula ka ng wedding
ganda
sa
to, ah.
work, di ba? Parang sino ba yung mga supplier doon? Tsaka ano ba yung ginagawa ng mga photographer, videographer, or even
Noon, ano
coordinator?
yung meron noon na wala
Pero
na
Yes,
ngayon?
oo.
parang ang dami-daming nag-change from before at saka ngayon. Pero at the same time, parehong-pareho. Parang like year 1, people would say, ang bababa ng presyo nila. Year 20. Yan pa rin naman ang
Yan
comment
pa
ng
yung
mga
comment.
tao, di ba?
Sinisira
Parang
nyo
ang
ang
dami-
industriya.
Oo. Parang,
Baba nyo sumingil.
oo. Pero it's the same eh. So it's not gonna change. So parang, I do WOW talks right now, WOW meets. I go places to talk to suppliers. Parang, gusto ko ipapaintindi na year 1 ganyan na. Huwag mo nang imagine na magbabago yan. So if ikaw, ini-imagine mo walang papasok na kalaban na mababa ang presyo, niloloko mo lang sarili mo, magagalit ka lang, hindi ka lang makaka-ride. So i-take mo na palaging may mabababang presyo at darating pa na mas mabababa ang presyo and ikaw magaling ka, alam mo ginagawa mo, hindi mo dapat yan katakutan. So parang if you think about the same scenario in a different spotlight, then you also change. Kasi kung ikaw i-expect mo yung paligid mo ang magbabago, mamamatay ka lang na galit. Dahil hindi sila magbabago. Magbago man yung kinausap mong 5, may bago pa ulit na 10 na darating
No?
na hindi pa magbabago.
Kasi yung mga bagong papasok na yan, hindi naman mo expect na mataas kagad yung presyo niyan. Eh.
Oo,
Hindi
ikaw
talaga
mismo
eh.
So why do you expect others to do that when you yourself did that?
Yes. Tama.
I started at
7,000.
7,000,
That's your first
5,000, 7,000, 12,500.
Ngayon, magkano?
300K yan.
Oh, nagsimula
Right?
talaga ganun.
Yes.
Sobrang
Oo.
baba and dami kong kliyente. Dami
Oo.
ko ring backlog. Mamatay ako sa backlog talaga. Namatay ako. So, I had to learn. And I think our hope for our co-wedding suppliers is that they will learn that too. Not the hard way. That they will learn that they need to sustain their business by increasing prices because at the start, yes, it's nice to have a lot of clients, pero you're not setting anything away for the post-production, for labor costs, for marketing costs, even like Dropbox costs, Canva costs, a lot Adobe costs,
Hard drive costs.
everything, no, everything has a price tag to it. That's why we need to tell them and remind them as people na matagal na tayo na parang hey, ganto yan, no? Na parang it's nice to lahat sa'yo pero in the end hindi mo na-realize
Pero
eh.
you will always love that feeling na ganito karami,
It should,
nagbo-book.
yeah. I think
Parang
everybody
lahat
should
yan
go through
dapat
that
daanan.
feeling. Oh, yeah.
At saka yan yung time na malalaman mo boundaries mo. Hindi pala ako pwede mag 5 days dire-diretso, patay pala yun.
Oo.
4 nga, try ko. And then, doon mo lang siya ma-experience doon sa stage na rat-rat ka habang mababa.
Tsaka in a way, magaling ka eh. Kasi kinukuha ka dahil mura ka at magaling ka
Yes,
na. Right?
yes.
So, ma-realize mo na, shoot, meron akong, I have something in me. I have something in me. So, kailangan mo lang ma-realize din, again, na if you have something in you, okay, you gotta like a little bit, inch.
And all of that,
move
parang
forward.
si Jason, every time nag-i-increase siya ng price before, para mag-increase kayo ng price before, kabado yan for months.
Until now.
Kabado yan before mo gawin. Kabado yan once na ginawa mo.
Kabado ka 6
Kabado
months
ka ulit,
in.
6 months in. Tapos, by the time na okay ka na, soon, mag-i-increase ka na naman ulit. Diba?
Same.
So we just have to discuss that and talk about it. And for me, ang natutunan ko, you fix yourself first. It's not your skill, it's not your packaging, it's not your logo. Pag naniniwala ka sa sarili mo, alam mo yung worth mo, everything is easier for you.
Benz, can you expound more of that? Fixing yourself and believing in yourself. Can you expound on that?
Okay, there was a time when I felt like laos na yung wow. So everything that I will see confirms what I believe in. Because that's my thought eh. Tignan mo, ang baba na ng membership. Tignan mo, ganyan. Tignan mo, ganon. It's
Takot tayo lahat malaos, no?
Oo. Months yan, years yan. Until parang you don't stop working ha. Parang every time nag-iisip ka, ano pa pwede kong gawin? Ano ba pwede? Pero pag nasa stage ka na, feeling mo laos ka, you're working out of desperation eh. You're working from a bad place. So lahat ng thoughts na papasok sa'yo, hindi rin maganda. And then I spoke to a photographer friend. Hey, if one day you realize it's the end of the road for you in the wedding industry, what would you do? Ang bilis ng sagot niya, hey, I would just look back and say, hey, it was a good run. Off to the next. Doon ako biglang, shucks, if umabot sa point, end of the road for wow. Kasi nung namumroblema ako sa wow, walang problema yung wow. Natatakot lang ako hanggang kailan to. Dahil napapalibutan kami palagi ng taong nawawala. Parang the people we were with 1999, marami nang nalagas by 2005. 2005, marami nang nalagas by 2010. 2010, marami nang nalagas by 2015.
Oo nga,
Parang
no?
feeling mo, ang swerte-swerte mo na umabot ng 2015. So ikaw, iniintay mo kailan ka.
Oo.
So yun yung mali ko.
Kasabay, you mean like suppliers?
Not even. The
Kasop-
supplier you are
Ah,
with.
supplier
you are with.
you are
Supplier you
with.
are with,
Oo,
okay.
oo. So parang at that time, I would always count, ilan lang yung immortal. Diba? At that time, 2015, 2016, Jason, Rita Neri, Lito C. Ang konti lang ng immortal. Parang nandiyan pa rin yung iba, pero nakikita mo na nagfe-fade na yung stars. Nagfe-fade na yung brightness nila na hindi na uubos, pero hindi na sila yung pinag-aagawan. Iba na yung nasa spotlight, nasa center stage. So, I always waited for that. So, parang after sinabi ni photographer friend, sinabi niya parang, I would just look, where am I going to next? Doon ko na-realize, parang, if one day, it's the end of WOW, I'll call a party and say, okay, I have to announce na magka-close na, one big party tayo. Nai-imagine ko how many people would come. Nai-imagine ko even those abroad would come home for me.
Totoo.
Would come home for WOW. And for that alone, I felt okay na. Kasi all this time, I had this shame na, una ka nga, Motorola ka naman, wala ka na ngayon.
Oh.
I had that shame. I had that feeling na, so,
Oo.
tapos ayun, so, nung nawala, after ko lang, nakausap ko siya alas 10 ng umaga,
Mm-mm.
by that afternoon, medyo na naumpisahan ko na si online fair.
Ah,
Alam mo yung parang,
oo.
at galing ka sa feeling mo, wala ka nang maisip na bago. And I was able to think of something na 5-6 years after everybody copied.
Mm-mm.
Nako mo, it's like,
Yes.
it has nothing
Gumalaw.
to do with the truth. It
Totoo.
has always something to do with what you think and what you believe in. Kasi after nung gabing yan, nag-iba ako, tapos ginawa ko si Facebook group ng WOW. Inales ko sa secret, ginawa ko siyang private group. By year end, 5,000 members na. By the next year, 10,000 members na. Alam mo yung parang, and all my admins didn't know that that was what I was going through. So if you change, everything around you changes. So yan yung sobra kong hardcore message I want to tell people, kaya ako nagwa-Wow Meat Supplier. Kasi I realize people na sobra ng made, sobra ng matagal sa industry, people na experience nila yung taste of success. At saka those starting to boom pa lang, everybody feels insecure. Everybody feels that fear. So I want to tell people na it's within you.
Do you think that's like specific to like wedding industry people or just like people in general?
Freelance,
Got it.
Yeah.
rockstar, artista,
Mm-mm.
singer.
Got
Kasi pwede natin tanggapin na there will be a time hindi na tayo the one and only, pero hindi ibig sabihin nun wala ka na.
Yeah.
Imagine mo parang, wow, what happened to WOW 2 years ago
Mm-mm.
is super different from what WOW ever was.
Mm-mm.
And
Actually,
parang,
tama.
if in 25 years, I was able to do something different and enjoy it sobra. And parang feeling ko I have never been as busy as WOW as the past 2 years. So parang,
Is that a good thing
Good thing yun.
for you?
yes,
Okay.
I super enjoy it. I super duper enjoy it.
That's why you're not dating eh.
Gusto ko talaga pumunta doon na.
I just want this,
Life to.
I just want this person to
One
date.
day.
Ay, pasok.
One day. One day.
So busy eh.
Ayan na talaga.
Guys, why are you sweating? Can't say that on Facebook, but I think the takeaway is everybody fades. Everybody fades. It's just a matter of acceptance, no? Like
Kaya nga palagi,
how good of a at what point in your life are you like to accept that because it's gonna happen. It's eventual.
Totoo. Ganda. Pero yun nga, parang, ano may changes ka ba na nakikita na parang, halimbawa, literal na pag dati, etong
ang wedding suppliers, during wedding, nakakapag-chismisan,
Oh.
nakakapag-hangout. Ngayon, wala na.
Wala na.
kayong
Wala na.
time. Sobrang dami ginagawa. Parang feeling ko nasa, ang tagal na natin ito pinag-usapan eh. More than 5 years na parang the wedding, what's happening in the wedding is already getting too much. Parang sana mas mag-relax. That's a conversation from the television interview na
Correct.
Parang sana mas mag-relax ulit para mas ma-feel yung love at saka yung relationship. And feeling ko makakarating tayo doon. Naniniwala ako makakarating tayo doon, pero kailangan natin munang ma-exage eh.
I remember years ago, like you just mentioned that may time ka makipagkwentuhan, ganyan. Me and Dino would like excuse ourselves because nothing was happening. We'd go like get coffee or go to Mobile One, buy an iPod around that time. Like
Yes,
when the iPod
diba?
went out, it's like super chill, super easy. But yeah, it's there's just a lot happening. We have some questions here pero si Direk na mamaya
Yes,
mag-refill
later,
yan.
meron tayo.
mamaya
May
na.
time tayo for
May time
May
tayo.
meron tayong essay dito
Yan
pero
mismo.
mamaya.
Mamaya.
Yan
Save
mismo
natin
yung
yan.
topic.
Yeah.
Papinin
Yes.
ko ng mga comment ha. Mima may
Screenshot.
nag-comment lang,
Yan.
lapit lang tayo sa mic.
Okay.
Ayan. Yun yung
Yes.
binulong ni...
Yan, live kasi tayo.
Ano pa ba mga nagbago? Yon nagbago.
Ang daming nagbago na
nagbago
like
din na ano.
around dun sa core ng wedding yung mga maliliit na bagay na halimbawa yung mga dove release, yung mga ice sculpture, yung mga
Yung Newsweek magazine, yung
mga-
cover ka na ng
Newsweek na
magazine.
mga CD giveaway ng
At saka
mga
yung
MP3.
iikot ka tapos naka-gown ka na.
Yeah, so yung mga ganon, nagro-rotate din lang. I think it's a matter of taste. It's a matter of like what the signs of the times, no? But pero tama ka nga, there's a lot happening, no?
Dahil siguro sa social media, sa mga napapanood.
Pressure.
no?
Yes.
Chicken and egg.
Yes,
It's chicken
yes,
and egg.
yes.
You don't know.
Oo.
They watch something and they feel that it's the normal,
Yes.
right? They watch something. There's a great wedding video with umbrellas. Let's say King with umbrellas and a newspaper. Went like a bajillion views, and then people watch it and say, "I want that."
Yeah.
You know, I want that, and then people would do that. No, the same way before, like everybody wanted a same day edit
Yes.
because they were seeing that, hey, this is a same day edit. So it's a chicken and an egg
It
situation.
starts with maybe an idea of a bride na pinatulan, na naging viral, naging SOP na sa wedding.
Yes.
Kaso that was just one idea. How many weddings do we have?
Oo.
So if we have 100 brides who have a 100 brilliant ideas,
Oo.
nagiging plus 100 steps yung wedding.
And you cannot put that back in the bottle because we live in an age now where social media and virality and a lot
Yes.
of whatever we watch, like
And
ang dami ng
actually-
eyeballs.
And actually, with your video, you're going to release a reel of the unique one.
Correct.
Yes.
And-
Tama.
All weddings, they want they want their wedding to be the most unique. So
Correct.
if you saw something, you run to have it done in your wedding before other people have it done. And then one day you'll realize everybody's doing it. Bago na naman ulit na idea. Bago na naman.
So, dumadagdag na
hindi naman tayo
dumadagdag, no?
magbabawas eh. Kasi hindi mo
naman.
alam ano ayaw ng bride eh.
Yes.
So gagawin mo lahat. Oo.
Actually. Katulad
Oo.
nung road shots with
Oo.
Entourage.
Oo.
May nababasa ako sa mga group na kailangan ba? Required
Yeah.
ba? Mga
Yes.
ganyan. So, hindi na nila alam kung ano yung traditional. Siya hindi. Di ba? Parang,
Ako nga nasa wedding industry, wala ako sa ground zero eh. Wala ako sa wedding eh. Hindi ko rin alam lahat yan. Kasi may isang beses may question sa WOW na bakit wala siyang shot doon sa reception garden. Tapos nagtanong ako
Na
sa...
empty, na walang pang, na
Oo,
wala
parang
pang
pictorial.
guest.
Oo,
Yes. Okay,
tapos
okay.
ang sagot
The
sa
empty
akin,
ballroom.
hindi yan SOP. Ni-request yan nung bride. Hindi alam nung bride ano ba ang SOP,
Sa
ano
hindi.
ba ang nire-request. Kasi kung alam kong i-request ko pala yan, dapat ni-request ko. So kawawa din yung bride, hindi na alam, hanggang ngayon yan yung iniisip ko. Paano?
May sagot ba dyan?
Hindi ko nga alam eh. Hindi ko pa alam ang sagot eh. Kasi parang the bride doesn't know, the bride and groom, they don't know ano ba ang really essential. Ano ba yung mga add-ons that I like lang. And pag nakakausap ako ng, are they photographers or coordinators? Sabi niya parang, mimala mo ba yung empty ballroom? Hindi yan ganun kasimple. Ang tagal niyan i-set up.
Oh, it's a lot.
And then parang, pero for me, gandang-ganda ako dun eh. For photographers, some, they don't like it kasi isang shot lang yan na ipa-perfect ko. Unlike pag nag-shoot tayo sa may garden, ang dami na nating nagawa. Ang dadami na nating photos na meron. Pero, ang ganda nun eh.
oo.
Binayaran mo ng malaki yung lights and sounds mo at saka yung styling
Yun
mo
eh. I think that's it.
Diba? So parang, those are the things that I want to do to explain. Parang, you want this empty ballroom. It's really nice. But, you know what you missed because you wanted this. Blah, 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 blah. Para at least alam nila yung decisions na minimake nila.
Kung gusto mo ng empty ballroom, magsasuffer yung, yung time mo.
Time mo.
May give and take
Oh,
eh.
yeah.
May give and take.
Yes.
can't go
Pero
with the
nobody
cocktails.
tells them that.
Yes, yeah,
May
actually,
question
yes.
nga ako regarding that eh. Is it ba kulang tayong mag-educate sa mga clients natin?
Wala kasi tayong parang wala kasi tayong, alam mo yung parang
Shot list?
syllabus.
Oo,
Alam mo yung
syllabus.
talagang,
Yeah.
eto kasi,
Ah.
parang lahat ng wedding gagawin ng coordinator based on ano gusto ng couple.
Yeah.
Hindi rin naman alam ng couple ano yung out of the box, ano yung inside, ano yung easy, ano yung real. Hindi, pag kunyari sinabi ng bride, gusto niya empty ballroom.
Mm.
Hindi yung coordinator para sabihin, alam mo ba, ito, parang
Oo.
magmumukha kang
Ako
nega
rin.
or mahadera eh.
Me,
No,
yeah.
parang
I don't think
yun
it's
eh.
my place.
Yes.
It's not my
Exactly,
place
diba?
Not the
to
call,
educate.
not your call.
It's not my place. If they ask, I will.
Oo.
And, hey, what's the plan? What's the plan? I think you should do this because, right? I think, we're done in 30 minutes for the portraits. I really feel you should go to the cocktails and mingle with your guests because it's the only time you can say thank you. Because later on, you're going to be separated again. You'll be in your table. They'll be in their table. That's the only time you can really thank them for spending so much money and spending so much time attending your wedding. So that's when I am asked. If I am not, whatever you want, baby. Whatever you want.
It's because of that and yung nangyari sa video mo, yung sa interview mo sa Billionaire.
Ano to?
At saka, that's why we're doing Wowie Meetup. So, I'm having the Wowies there and the kasal na Wowies to explain to the Wowies what happens in a wedding, ask anything, and then may coordinator kami doon, may photographer, may videographer to answer the questions. Kasi ako mismo hindi ko alam ang sagot eh. Dahil wala nga ako sa ground zero. So now, inaaral ko din siya para mas alam ko paano siya ituro.
I guess it's more on yung nabanggit mo kanina, Sir Jay. It's more about not really educating but giving them a lot of information.
Yes.
The pros and cons.
Kasi hindi rin na alam how can they make educated decision when they don't even know. Alam nyo ba gaano kahirap magplano ng wedding? Like, I had this experience when my pamangkin was getting married 2 years ago.
This is just
Lost ako. Oo, parang, what happens na? Parang pag nagpa-quote ka sa stylist, iba pa pala yung rentals. Iba pa pala yung trusses. So parang, hinugot mo na sa budget mo yung para mapa-oo ka dito sa styling na to, hindi pa pala ito yon. Meron pa palang trusses na plus, meron pa palang lights na plus, meron pa palang rent. Yun, parang
Stress nga.
ang dami.
So dati isa lang yun eh, di ba?
Oo,
Bayad ako
oo,
sa'yo.
oo,
Set up
oo.
mo yung price ko.
Yan na,
yun.
yan na. Oo.
Ngayon medyo marami ng
Umiiba na because yung ginagawa rin nila extraordinary din. So yun nga eh, parang inaaral ko din ulit.
Ganda.
Malalim.
Oo.
Talagang
Ako
Kasi walang may kasalanan eh.
Oo.
'Di ba? Parang you're just going to give the bride and the groom what they want. But they don't realize having this entourage shot is going to play hell in your schedule. Imagine mo yung 10 yan, i-schedulein mo pa doon sa schedule mo. Parang ganon.
Tsaka yung yung time natin ngayon na dati 2 hours, naging
4,
before
5, 6?
Before 5, 6,
diba?
diba? Dahil dun sa pinauso ni Sir Dino Lara na hair down.
Hair down.
Oo.
na nag-evolve.
Diba?
Na nag-evolve. Oo.
Kasi
Isang
So,
oras
yun
ka
nga
nag-robe shot.
parang Dino was going the rounds rin recently, parang explaining na
No.
itaas siguro natin yung mic.
parang Dino was also explaining, parang para malaman mo ano yung nadagdag, alamin mo paano nag-umpisa. Para naintindihan mo. Hindi nag-hair up, hair down yung bride. May chance lang akong i-shoot siya habang hine-hair down. Hindi yon plinano. Parang mga ganon.
Nung wedding mo, sino yung nag-shoot sa'yo?
Michael Padolina ang photographer ko, E. Macron ang videographer ko, Eileen Araneta ang coordinator ko, Peng Ching ang aking
Shangri-La EDSA?
No, prep lang siya.
Prep
Ilustrado
lang.
kami across EDSA Shangri-La. Nag-reception.
May ilustrado sa harap ng EDSA Shangri-La? Saan
EDSA
yun?
Shrine kami kinasal. Ang mura-mura, may aircon.
Saan ang ilustrado sa Shangri-La EDSA?
SMPPI, San Miguel Building.
Got it. Alright.
Magkano?
Tsaka yung panahon ng wedding namin,
Bets,
bawi,
you got your microphone. Yeah, there.
bawi ka sa regalo.
Sa Ampaw.
Ngayon hindi na.
Ngayon hindi na.
Talaga
Hirap.
ba?
Ngayon hindi na. Masaya ka na kung may 50. Sa Chinese masaya ka na kung maka 50%.
Parang consolation na lang.
Hindi kasi pag Chinese wedding naman kasi sobrang laki din
Sobrang
eh.
laki. Pero before mas malaki.
Bawi na.
Bawi siya.
May rule yan, di ba? Kung magkano yung dinner.
Singapore lang yon.
Okay.
Dito sa Pilipinas, minimum 2-4.
Okay.
Wala naman na food na 2-4 right now eh.
Oo nga.
Minimum
Tumaas na.
ng 2-4.
Tumaas na.
Panahon ko, maraming regalo sa amin. 1-2-2-4. That
Okay.
was 27 years ago.
Okay.
Hanggang ngayon, 2-4 pa rin ang rate eh.
Magkano na per
Hindi
person
tumaas.
ngayon?
Ang layo. Ang layo na ng per person right
Parang
now.
yung pinag-uusapan natin.
Pagkain pa lang, hindi wala pang styling niyan.
Totoo.
Oo,
Oo nga, no?
Oo.
Ngayon ba, magkano ba yung minimum pag magpapakasal ka?
It's a
Nakakausap
range.
sila, ay parang 2 million, kaya pa eh.
Kaya pa 2 million.
Kaya pa yung 2 million na matitino yung supplier. Hindi sila branded pero quality. Alam mo yung hindi ka mapapahiya.
Meron bang hindi matinong supplier?
Yung hindi ka sure kung
Meron yung mga nagtatakbo ng down payment.
Ayan,
Oo.
oo nga. Oo.
Yun,
Which is,
marami.
maraming makikita sa Facebook na ganyan.
Oo.
Sisi nga kami ni Melen, ba't di pa kami nagpakasal dati?
Tumaas yung cost eh.
Oh, mahal na ngayon.
Marvin, nag-ocular na tayo!
Go-color na kami. Melen, ano ba? Kailan mo ba ako sasagutin? Pero yun nga, grabe yung changes, no? So, katulad yung pinag-uusapan natin sa crew meal. Sabihin na natin,
Yes,
di ba?
oo.
Sabihin na natin sa crew meal. Required ba? Kasi dati wala naman eh.
Oo.
Ngayon, parang kailangan na, di ba?
Oo, pero talaga ako on the fence ako about crew meal. Parang if you require it, feeling ko hindi rin tama. Pag hindi mo pinakain, hindi rin tama. So parang hindi ko rin talaga alam.
Na, at the end of it all, dapat ang pagkain, hindi naman pinag-uusapan yan. We're Filipinos, right?
Yes.
Pero, gets ko eh.
Gets ko rin eh. Nag-gets ko yung, like, tinatanong ko suppliers eh, hindi nyo ba maipasok na sa package?
Yeah.
Significant din eh, pag
Oo.
ipinatong.
Malaki din
Oo,
yung
malaki
cost,
din talaga
yung
Oo.
lunch dinner.
Pero from the
Oo.
bride side, it adds up din.
It adds up a
Yes.
lot.
Oo.
A lot, lalo na some would really go days. Parang, lalo na sa stylist or sa sound system yata. Basta yung malalaki,
Yeah.
parang 30 packs, 40 packs, breakfast, lunch, dinner, may snacks pa. Parang, ang laki din.
So talaga may snacks?
May midnight snacks. Yung
Oo,
mga nag-i-ingress. Ganyan.
Ako nagigilty ako kapag iba yung pagkain ng videographer dun sa mga nag-i-ingress na stylist.
Pero maintindihan mo eh.
Gets ko naman, pero
kasi iba,
mas pagod
alam
tong
mo,
mga to eh.
Exactly. Oo. So parang, ano ba tama? There's no such thing eh. Para mo lang sinabi yan na parang, etong coordinator na to, napakagaling, bakit hindi siya ganitong amount? Eto, hindi naman napakagaling, sikat lang, bakit ganitong amount? Wala eh.
Wala. Oo.
Walang rules.
Na-package mo na sarili mo, na-market mo sarili mo, as long as there's a buyer, you can sell.
Can I state my verbiage in my contract for food? I state that meals are very much appreciated. But if you cannot provide the meals, let us know ahead of time. Para magawa namin ng paraan.
Oo.
Yes.
Pero iba-iba eh. May nakakausap ako na half ng package mo can afford to do that. May nakakausap ako na close to your package cannot do that.
Correct.
So, hindi ko alam eh. Wala. Diba? Parang,
Siguro kung paano mo na nga lang sabihin. Pero sa contract,
oo. Parang for me lang, parang kung supplier ka, demanding for crew meal, don't make it harder than it has to.
Yeah.
Oo. Parang, I know a lot of suppliers ng crew meal that I even taste and I even like. Hindi ganyan kamahal. So, parang, yun nga lang, hindi nga lang alam ng couple eh. Yun nga lang, babalik tayo ulit
Babalik
doon
tayo.
eh.
Dapat
Hindi
hindi
alam
siya
ng
parang
couple eh.
rider.
Oo.
So, ang ganda nun sa'yo, Sir Jason, is na nasa contract mo. Ha?
Yes.
Hindi mo nire-required talaga, no?
Hindi. Hindi. Buti naman, yung mga planners tsaka yung mga couples natin nakasama. You know, I mean,
Naintindihan.
I guess it's basic courtesy. It is basic courtesy. What do you think, Ben?
It's like that. Yan yung example
It
namin
is basic
always eh.
courtesy.
Parang pag meron kang tubero na nag-ayos ng gripo mo, inabutan kayo ng tanghalian, papakainin mo.
Yeah.
Pero pag umangal yung tubero, bakit spam lang to? Bakit hindi steak? Siya na may problema.
Ayun,
Parang
diba?
ganon eh, di ba? Parang, pero kailangan mo pakainin.
Oo.
Or at
So-
least na parang kain tayo. Di ba?
Oo.
O,
At saka
kain,
yung
no?
papakain mo sana, something you would also eat.
Yeah.
Hindi siya something na
Okay
basta
na yan,
nabili mo
no?
na pinakamura.
Oo.
'Di ba? Parang hindi eh. At
Nice.
least, kasi nakakakita ako na 150 pesos breakfast, ang sarap na. 200 na lunch, ang sarap na.
Yeah. Kasi
Oo.
may nababasa din talaga ako sa mga group na yun nga, parang kailangan po ba ng crew meal? Sagot ba natin
Nakakaawa
yan?
talaga yung
Oo.
couple. Lalo na pag nakikita ko yung breakdown, parang 80,000 crew meal. Ang laki nun. Ang laki-laki nun.
Talaga ba?
Oo. It adds up.
Dami kasi,
It adds up.
lalo pag stylist, tsaka pagka yung audio, ayan, photo
Dami,
video
no?
pa lang, ilan na tayo, di ba?
Correct. Oo.
Plus, syempre yung entourage mo. Pagka kumakain
Sa
yung
umaga.
sa
Sa tanghali,
lunch,
no?
di ba?
Hindi nila naisip eh, diba? Dahil makikikain na lang, bawas na yun sa coordinator minsan.
Yes. So kaya papakainin mo talaga lahat. Imbis na dinner na lang yung sasagutin mo, may tumuman pa ng lunch tsaka ng ano. Kasi dinner, kung sa reception, di ba? Kala mo yun lang. Pero yun nga, maganda yung sinabi mo, Sir Jason, sabihin niyo sa amin kung hindi kaya. Di ba?
I think also it's cultural. Sa Amerika, hindi ganyan eh. Bahala ka sa buhay mo eh. Pag lunch,
Yes.
bahala ka, dala ka sandwich.
Bayad ka.
Dala ka sandwich,
Bahala ka na.
ganyan.
Bago
Dinner
ngayon.
Dinner meron, pero lunch, kanya-kanya.
Have you heard na bago na ngayon, parang nagcha-charge na ng overtime ang suppliers?
It's a thing. It's a thing right now. There's a
Uh-huh.
lot of photographers and videographers who do, let's say they have a base rate of 10 to 12 hours. And then anything above that, they charge.
Yes.
So I just recently was with Randolph Evan, and he's implementing that. I know that the Team Benitez is implementing that. Pearl Studio is implementing that as well.
Yeah.
Marami. So, isa yung mga changes. Di ba hindi natin
How about
na-imagine
you?
before?
How about you, Marvy?
Ako?
Oo.
Walang bayad. Mahal na yung package. Joke lang.
Yun.
Meron.
Carry ko na yan.
Meron kami
Overtime?
overtime fee.
Like,
Pero ito,
ano yung base hours?
Pagka Chinese wedding, tapos ang wedding mo is 12 pababa. 12, 11, 10. That's where, pero kung
Yung broken time.
broken
Basically,
time,
broken time.
yeah.
Hindi mo bilang yon.
Bilangin namin yon. Pagka ganun
okay.
kahaba.
Oo.
Pero pagka may clear na, siguro kinasal ka ng 2 or 1, wala na yun. Okay lang yun. Pero meron kaming charge sa morning wedding kasi. So, yun doon napapasok yung parang overtime fee.
What about you, Lo?
Hindi pa.
You
Pero
want to?
parang planning na din. Pero ano naman, parang depende sa hours eh. Parang yung iba 12. Pero actually parang nasanay na ako ng, sa akin lang to 12 to 14. Parang, carry
Normal
lang
yan,
Parang
normal, oh.
ever since naman, yan na yung working time ko. But I understand the point kung bakit. Like, kasi alam ko rin sa ibang bansa, per hour talaga yung bayad sa'yo.
Bayad.
Bilib ako sa mga studio na nakapag, niyan.
Nakapag-implement.
Implement. I mean,
Ikaw, Sir Jay, wala pa?
wala. And, I think I charge enough for a full 15
Yeah.
hours. And I pay the guys enough not to pay them overtime.
Yeah.
Even if we go home at 12 or 1, it's fine. Tsaka mayayain ako sa ganyan.
Kami yun lang, yung morning wedding lang. Doon lang kami may charge. So, technically, yung pag Chinese wedding naman kasi, pag pumata ka ng 12 pababa, morning wedding na yun eh. So, yun lang charge namin. Maliit lang.
Morning wedding with fireworks.
Ayan, oo. Ayan.
Inabot ka na ng gabi.
Nagulat ako. Nagulat ako.
ganun.
Madalas, maski morning wedding, umaabot sa fireworks. So sabi ko, ganun nga.
Yun, pagka ganun, may,
Umaabot,
kailangan na.
oo.
Kailangan na yes.
Umaabot talaga,
Oo.
oo.
Kasi minsan, yung iba, morning wedding, mayroon silang church sa umaga, tapos sa hapon, meron silang
Christian wedding
garden
naman,
or something. So, medyo mahirap din
At saka
for
hindi
us.
sila nagmamadali kasi maaga pa naman eh.
Yes.
Oo. Kaya humahaba ng humahaba.
Ayan. Pero ang pinaka ano ko doon is sobrang hirap kasing mag-isip ng morning wedding. Tulog pa yung utak mo. Tulog pa yung utak mo. So,
Tapos Tagaytay.
Tagaytay.
Alis ka dito mga alas 2,
Yeah.
alas 3.
Nagulat
Yun yung
ako
medyo
Nag-gets ko nga
sa totoo
eh.
hassle.
Oo.
So, mag-inisip
Nag-gets
mo.
ko eh. Sabi ko,
Sakit
bakit
sa ulo,
ka?
no?
Oo.
Ang tawag
Sabi
nga
niya,
doon,
halos walang
ano eh,
tulog na nga talaga.
Wake
yun
up
eh.
artist. Yun daw tawag. Ikaw na ikigising sa
Lalo
bahay.
makeup,
Oo.
no?
Yun ang tawag sa kanila pag morning wake up artist, hindi na makeup artist.
Ay, meron ba? Meron ba tayo?
Puro tayo reklamo, tinatanggap naman natin.
Trabaho yan.
Yun, di ba? We're talking about changes. Yan. Maraming changes pero maraming say. Parang feeling ko basically, it's the same. We want to give the client the best.
Yes.
So whatever it takes, maski pa tumambling-tambling, maski bumawas ang oras, yan pa rin yung aim eh. To give them what they want at super satisfied sila. Pero yun na nga ang nangyari. True time.
True time, no? Tsaka lumulobo na rin talaga yung budget, no? Iba na magpakasal ngayon.
Sobra na, oo. Sobra na
Mahirap
ring
na.
mahal. Yes.
Yes. Lo, yung ano natin.
Ano natin?
Oo.
Sige. Ito for the suppliers, kung magbe-benefit sa question na to. How do we stay relevant in this ever-changing wedding market natin?
Feeling ko, alamin mo as supplier, ano ba talaga ang binibigay mo doon sa client? Is it like sinasabi ko nga sa talks parang kunyari ikaw coordinator ka, hindi ka naman super galing. Pero naparamdam mo sa client, napaka-asikaso mo sa kanila na hindi pa nila hinihingi na ibibigay mo na. Alam mo yung parang it's the experience It's really how the client feels with your service that is the most important. So, how do you stay relevant to make sure it doesn't fade? to make sure that yung sincerity mo of serving that client or of making sure that client never regret choosing you over the thousands of other supplier, yun na. So, that could be by way of being technical, pwede yan sa skills mo, pwedeng mas basta yun pa rin eh. Ano ang pinaka-essence mo? Kung photographer ka, style ba yun? Kung videographer ka, nag-evolve na style ba yun? Or if coordinator ka, is it the service, the feeling? If it's a product, is it the best product in the market? Or are you presenting it na pinakamaganda yung cart mo? So, isipin mo lang, ikaw yung client mo. What do you want your client to have and what your client wants to feel? Tapos, aalamin mo rin sa sarili mo yung sipag natin nung umpisa tayo, hindi na tayo ganyan ngayon eh. Diba?
Oo.
Pero, yung skills mo din, mas magaling ka na ngayon. Mas marami ka na rin alam. Mas marami ka na rin experience. Maski may mangyari at kulang yung taong pumunta, kulang gamit mo. Dahil sa tagal mo na sa industriya, marami kang mahihiraman. Marami kang biglang matatawag dito sa areang to. So, may balance yan eh. Hindi katulad nung bago na ang mura-mura na, sobrang serbisyo pa, pero marami siyang hindi alam. Wala siya nung connection, wala siya nung skills na nangyari na sa amin yan. Walang gamit. Nangyari na sa amin yan. Nag-angkas na lang ako. Alam mo yung parang mas marami kang paghuhugutan ng sagot kahit anong sitwasyon na ibigay. So, it always evens out.
Nice, ganda. May mga ganun eh, no? Na parang minsan kasi pagka feeling mo na nandun ka na, magre-relax ka na. Di ba?
Lahat tayo, nag-relax tayo at a time.
Diba?
Kaya tayo kinakabahan at a time. And it's really like that. And it's really, at saka abot tayo sa point na, I don't care if I'm the best. I don't care if I'm the most popular. I'm quite confident and I'm quite happy where I am.
Tama.
I'm able to serve. I'm able to have this relationship with people. I don't care if I don't have 400,000 members. I'm having 30. I'm super happy with my 30. It's like aabot ka sa wisdom na yon na hindi lahat competition. Hindi lahat I need to be ganyan. Nakakapagod.
Ay, totoo
we
yan.
talk about that so often.
Yes,
We
yes.
talk about
I
that
think
so often.
I've resolved this like more than a decade ago, like 10 years ago na there was always, I'm a very competitive person and I'm a very competitive supplier. So years upon years upon years, it was a rat race. It was proving like, number
You don't
one.
even
You
get
gotta
to
be the
enjoy
best.
being there, no?
Yeah, it's
Because
like-
you're so scared of getting off the race.
It's like, you think of so many things. But then, like, it just dawned upon me, like, one day that, this is not fun at all. This is not fun at all. It takes away the joy of filming weddings for our clients. It takes away the joy of being with co-suppliers because you see everybody as a threat. Right? You see everybody as a competitor.
You started questioning,
yeah.
no, wala pa ako artista this year.
Yeah.
Wala pa akong Europe this year. It's not
And that's
tiring.
not fun. That's not fun. And this, I guess the earlier that you realize that, bilog ang bola. Bilog ang gulong, paikot-ikot yan. Sometimes you're on top, sometimes you're not on top. And that's totally fine, right? And you compete with yourself. You pay mind to what you are doing, not what anybody else is doing. And that will bring you so much more satisfaction and happiness and contentment. Which is super key. If you take away all the extraneous stuff, I think you'll be a happier person eh. Kasi, 10 years ago, I just realized parang it's not fun. It's not fun na parati kang, dati yung uso pa yung nagmi-meet kayo ng mga co-suppliers, you talk about other people, you shit talk other suppliers. It's freaking stupid. It's stupid. And now that,
Pwede naman. Basta ilalive nila parang monochrome.
and
Para
when you
para
let
alaman
go,
na, no?
you become happier eh. You become happier when you let go. You become happier when you don't see other people as like just threats as competitors. No, like these are friends. This is the community. This is the wedding industry. So I think the sooner that most people, our fellow suppliers, learn that, the sooner na I think mas sabi mo nga they will go back to what are they really offering to clients.
Yeah.
At saka, we have like us, how many years na, 'di ba? Parang you have friends from way back. Tayo, how many years na, 'di ba? Parang
Tagal na, Mima.
it's super, there's real relationship and real friendship in the wedding industry. There is. Even if you're competitor, even if you work together, not work together, we have each other's back. Ang daming naninira, ang daming nag-shit talk, pero yung relationship ko with a lot of the suppliers, as real as can be.
Sino ang kailangan mong i-please? Kliyente ba o yung co-supplier mo?
Kliyente.
Kliyente.
Always.
Always. Kliyente.
Kasi minsan inisip mo para maging relevant ka, kailangan ko rin i-please yung co-supplier ko eh.
Pag kaya mong i-please both na hindi ka nagiging plastic, hindi ka nagbe-bend backwards, that's the best. Kasi parang you would want to be working with people you like. You also want your client to have a great experience na sila magkakwento
Yeah.
sa lahat ng tao. So you don't have to pick. You just remove the people who doesn't serve you. Na nakakasira sa diskarte mo, na napapangit yung feelings mo.
Yeah.
Remove them. There's a lot of people in the industry na sobrang real, sobrang tao.
Kailangan ko na palang magbawas.
Oo. Sino babawas mo dito sa kwartong to? Sino babawas mo?
Ba't kailangan tingin no?
Oo nga eh. Parang yan, next episode, wala na.
Partner mo yan.
Si Emon, ikaw ba pinaparinggan?
Pinabawas na.
Joke lang.
Diba?
Pero tama eh. No? Kanina pinapanood ko, mabalik lang ako sa videography kasi syempre videographer ako. Pero pinapanood ko kasi yung podcast ni Ray Roman kanina.
May podcast siya.
Guest siya eh.
Guest siya.
Guest siya kay Munoz Photography. Something sikat din na photographer. Sabi niya, ang pinakaayaw na ayaw niya sa sarili niya is yung habang nagtatrabaho siya, gumagawa siya ng wedding film niya, is iniisip niya, sasabihin nung mga co-supplier or mga videographer niya, hindi yung kliyente. Yun yung gusto niyang i-please. Dahil para maging relevant siya, para laging nandun siya sa on top, kumbaga. Pero napag-isip-isip niya raw, nung tumagal na, para sabi niya, dapat kliyente. Para,
Real. Dadaan talaga tayo sa shit
Yes.
time. And then may enlighten talaga tayo
ang
after.
laki nung nabawas dun sa bigat sa
Bigat.
sarili niya,
Yes.
nung yun na yung nanging mindset niya. Na parang, shit, oo nga, no, hindi naman ako kumikita sa kanila eh. Diba? Sa mga videographer eh. Bakit ko sila kailangan, please? Diba? Kung happy yung kliyente ko, hindi kayo natuwa, problema niyo yun. Natuwa yung kliyente ko, I'm good.
Pero mas maganda pag i-impress ang suppliers na
Yes.
kasama
Correct.
mo
Yeah.
and
Yes.
happy yung client mo.
Yes.
Diba? Parang,
Secondary.
Secondary.
hindi siya essential. Pero it's
It's
nice.
nice.
It's nice to achieve.
Yeah.
Diba? Hindi siya need.
No.
Nice lang siya.
Mindset pa rin eh.
Yes.
All in all eh. Pag
Yes.
tama yung mindset mo, technically, ikaw, una, mas nakakahinga ka.
Exactly.
Mas nakapag-isip ka.
Exactly.
Mas hindi ka nag-iisip ng negative. Which I think yun yung... Pero I think kailangan mo rin pagdaanan. Kaya mo siya ma-realize.
Maganda siya pagdaanan and
Oo.
maganda rin siya marinig ng mga tao. Kasi when I do my wow meets, parang it's so relieved. They feel so relieved knowing, pinagdaanan nyo rin pala. So it feels like parang, okay. Parang
Normal pala
normal.
to.
So same as sa bride, di ba? Kasi ang iniisip nila, kailangan ko i-please yung mga bisita ko, yung parents ko.
Yes.
So kung ako yung bride, dapat ang i-please mo yung
Sarili mo.
Kayong dalawa.
Kayo.
Be real.
Diba?
Be real. Parang sinasabi ko sa couples palagi parang you don't always aim for what you cannot afford because these people are in your life. Pag kinasal kayo, alam pa rin niya.
They can see through you.
They can see also the quality of life that you will have after the wedding. So do not spend and do not owe money. Don't go into utang impressing them.
Do you
It's
think people
useless.
still go to debt because of weddings?
I hope not. I hope
Okay.
not anymore. But for a very long time,
They do?
they do.
May
eh,
mga...
diba?
Well, technically
Meron rin.
debt. Kasi may mga nakikita ko doon sa ibang groups na credit cards.
Credit cards.
Okay,
yeah.
credit cards sila. Pero yun nga, syempre, ang advice doon, basta kaya natansya mo na kung paano mo babayaran.
matalino na ngayon yung mga tao eh. Kumbaga bago ko umano dyan, may budget na ako dyan. So sobrang lang
ito pa
konti.
ang nagbago.
Oo.
Nung time na nag-uumpisa tayo, mas magaling tayo sa anak natin. Ngayon, mas magaling anak natin sa atin.
Oo.
Ang gagaling ng mga bata ngayon.
Totoo.
Sobrang nakakabilib.
Galing. Diba?
Marunong sila mag-video edit. norm.
Alam nila worth nila.
Oo.
Alam nila ang right from wrong. Alam nila I don't need to please anyone.
And I think pumapasok na rin dito yung mga new generation ng brides and groom.
Yes.
Yung Gen Z.
Gen Z.
Na yun
Gen
nga,
Z na.
parang wala na silang, hindi na sa walang paki sa tradition. Pero kung ayaw nila niyan, hindi nila gagawin yan. Kung ano yung gusto nilang gawin, alam nila. And then they will tell the suppliers.
Yes.
Which is, I think, a good thing.
Yeah. And but for older suppliers, for me, for example, sometimes that comes as a shock. So it's just, again, to stay relevant, you really have to understand them, no?
Yes.
Kasi before, like sabi mo nga, sila masusunod talaga, no? At the end of the day. So kailangan, you need to bend a little bit, no? You need to bend. Parang, okay.
Ito na pala yung
Find a way.
Ganun na
right?
pala,
Find a way.
ganun na pala
Oo.
ang
Ganun
mga
na pala
ano
ngayon.
ngayon.
Ganun na
Oo,
ngayon.
yes.
So, kasi kung matigas ulo mo, wala. Talagang, word of mouth yan eh. Hindi nakikinig yan. Tigas ulo niyan. Di ba? Magaling kasi eh. Yeah. So, dapat talaga.
Meron akong ka-meeting isang araw. Tinanong niya kung anong age ko.
Oo.
So, hindi naman ako na
How rude.
Hindi, sabi ko, okay lang. Tapos, para lang, kumbaga, gusto nilang ma-check if parang vibe check. Ganon. Yun yung term. May vibe check niya na ganyan. Sinabi ko yung age ko. O, pareho naman tayong trentahin, di ba?
Sana nag-shoot pa si Dino ngayon, no?
May vibe check din.
Tama
Very
eh.
relevant yan si Dino, ha? AI expert yan.
Which is, wow,
Burning
Wow,
down
wow.
the rainforest.
Ayun pa isa, no? Kailangan mo sumunod sa technology, no?
Pero, ano lang talaga yan, saan angulo mo titignan? Kasi ang laking tulong, ang laki ng ease sa workload when you know what to use and when to use it.
Ganda. Ayun.
Q&A.
Meron pa ba sa
Meron.
mga pagiging relevant na gusto nyo idagdag?
Wala, so far.
Pero feeling mo, yung dream mo na sobrang relaxed wedding, yung tipong the couple is in the cocktail already and talagang sobrang konti na lang yung mga must shot. Do you see it happening in the next 3-5
You know,
years?
up until now, that happens naman eh. I would say few. Not,
Pero hindi siya yung
it's
norm.
not the norm. It's not the norm.
Do you see it coming back as a norm?
I would be happy if it's 50-50. Right? Because I mean, ever since naman I started filming weddings, it's a show, right? It's a show. That's why we have big ballrooms. That's why Filipinos
production.
like Shangri-La, like the Shangri-Las and the Marriotts of these grand ballrooms. Eh. Very, very different from, let's say, again, Western weddings where you have you have
Garden.
halls, you have gardens. No, I think that is very cultural, and you can't take that away from the Filipinos. So I'd be happy with
More of
50-50.
that,
There will always be big weddings, but I guess my reminder to couples is that no matter how big the scale of your wedding is, never forget that it is always going to be like a wedding between just two people, just two of you, and your closest friends and family, and not to lose sight of that.
Nice.
Tama.
Yan na yung i-reels natin.
Yeah.
Ikakat natin yan.
Clip farm mo yan. Farm mo yan.
Ay, buksan natin yung Q&A, no?
Yan.
Yan.
Pwede ba tayong mag-shoutout?
Sige, shoutout mo na.
Shoutout mo na.
Shoutout.
Actually, yung tanong na pinaka-importante dito, pag isa sa pelikula ang buhay mo daw, Mima, sinong gaganap?
Yes.
Isip
I want that
ako.
question. Isip ako.
Isip kayo, guys. Pwede rin
Hi,
kayo
Maki Bautista.
pwede rin kayo mag-suggest dito, ha?
Oo. Ako gusto kong gumawa.
Kung maarte pa si Chris Aquino, pwede, no?
Hindi ba Techi Adbayani? Parang sexy.
Napakaluma na yan. Reference.
Lizzie na pa. Sila Lane, hello.
Ayan, hi.
Ryan,
Ayan.
hello. Dino is here.
Yung mga nagpadala ng
Yes,
stars.
thank you sa stars.
Yan, si Ma'am Karen.
Mga
Si
kilala
Jem.
ko.
Si
Jem
Jem.
Parto.
Jem Parto.
Si Je.
Si Je. Si Edel, ano yun?
Gusto mo ba yung
Jerome,
isa sa
Vince.
pinakamahabang question?
Oo, may isa nga eh.
By
Sinol.
Jordan Zuniga. Yan.
Hindi.
Okay, basahin ko yung
April,
question.
yes, go. Nico.
Pakisagot po sana. Yan. Sige, sasagutin na.
Sagutin natin. Ay, hindi, ano yan?
Alak.
Alak.
Walang tubig dito, hindi uso.
Kailangan mo tubig?
Okay.
Yan. O sige, go
Okay.
ko na. No. This is for general question but I need to hear this lalo na sa inyong mga seniors. Wow, seniors. Okay. Why the wedding in the Philippines is 70% scripted na lang when it comes sa shoot. Parang hindi na wedding, parang making movie na siya. Hindi na siya natural vibe ng wedding. Parang yung mga creatives kasi they are after footages palagi. So my main question, ano ang pwedeng gawin by changing the vibe ng wedding sa Pilipinas? Like less scripted and focus sa natural story of the wedding. What is your take po or what is the best solution po? By the way, I can't wait for the April Masterclass.
Ayan.
Hopefully makapasya.
Let's have
Kasi
Marvy answer that
Yeah,
as a videographer.
Dapat ikaw kasi hindi scripted.
Pinag-iisip ko pa eh.
Hindi scripted yung wedding mo eh. Yung sa akin kasi more on siguro yung mga kliyente ko or yung mga brides tsaka yung mga groom is napapanood yung gawa ng Cinemars. Kaya pag nagre-request sila, yung style, no? Yun yung gusto nila palabasin.
Yes.
Sa amin, kailangan namin shoot yun. Kung yun yung gusto nila, minsan may request na, Marvy, gusto ko tong ballroom shots na silhouettes. So kaya minsan, sabi ko na sa mga boys ko, pag hindi ni-request siya, huwag na natin gawin. baka naman pwedeng ibahin natin yan. So may mga ganun.
Yung lalapit.
Oo, yung lalapit, di ba? Mag-holding hands. Actually, ngayon, iniiba ko na yung style kasi nga medyo nagsasawa na talaga at nasasabihan na rin tayo na medyo scripted, no? So, ang ginagawa ko is more on kwento na talaga. Kung ano yung kwento nila, more on candid, more on natural na lang. Pero kasi, hindi rin natin masisi kasi yun yung style talaga ng studio eh. Na na may script or minsan gusto rin naman talaga ng client ay gusto ko yung may robe shots kami tumatakbo yung mga ganyan.
We're booked for a reason
Yes,
because they have watched our work, our previous work. That's why that's the basis. That's why they booked us. So I think whatever is the body of work that's online that they are able to watch, those are the expectations.
Yeah.
And I suppose you always have to meet the expectations of your couples.
Yeah.
So, halimbawa, ikaw, ang tanong mo, paano ba magiging less? Alam mo, Consolation School of Videography ka. Wag, 'di ba? Like, let things happen.
Yes.
Don't talk at all. Don't talk at all. Find your composition, find your angle, and roll.
Yun.
Pero kailangan, galing mo mag-edit.
Si Je.
Si Je.
Oo.
Ganon.
So, depende naman yan. Siguro lang, yung lumalabas sa news feeds mo or pina-follow mo is ganun yung mga style. So, kaya, pero marami din naman talaga na talagang
Oo,
pure
hindi ka rin mawawala ng inspirasyon na talagang na hands off no? Hindi ka mawawalan. I think siguro para ma-inspire ka, tama ka no, sa Instagram o kaya maybe sa Facebook, yung algorithm mo baguhin mo. Hanap ka ng mga yung mga gumagawa na talagang totally walang prompting and walang directing.
Yes, so marami din naman. Tsaka yun nga, so yung Filipino wedding yun na yun eh. Yun na yun, di ba? Hindi
Napag-usapan namin to nung
Hotel,
kasal ni Dino eh.
simbahan, reception. Yun na yun!
Pero napag-usapan namin to nung kasal ni Dino kasi nga ipinag-usapan namin yung topic na tungkol dun sa scripted eh. Parang Dino was saying, was it you Dino? Yun na parang ever since, wala naman coordinator nun, photographer lang eh. Photographer nagdidirect ng the whole thing. So talagang nasanay na may nagdidirect talaga. So tagang parang, kasi kung walang magi-step up para mag-direct, labo-labo yan.
Yeah.
Somebody. Tapos ngayon, naging role na yan ng coordinator.
Yes.
But it's not the coordinator who wanted that. It was the coordinator who's implementing what the couple wanted.
Yes.
So, yon. Parang kung ayaw natin ng scripted, gusto natin ng free flow, gawa tayo more of that. And then, pag nakita ng couples na ay, mas maganda or parang nakwento nung... Kasi I had a Wowie meetup and then one bride was saying, ang pinagsisihan ko, sana hindi na ako nagtago during the cocktail kasi yung husband, ako nagme-makeup, nagre-retouch ako, nagche-change ako ng outfit. Yung husband ko was out there sa garden, nakikipagkwentuhan. Ako, I barely know who came. Parang yan yung pinagsisisihan niya. So parang if people talk more about what na they wanted connections with their guests, then maybe there will be more of that in the future.
Kasi
Pero feeling ko talaga,
yung
ang tagal na tong in the making. And feeling ko, may
tipping
traction
point
na
na,
ngayon
no?
eh.
Oo,
Oo,
may
may
tipping point
traction
na
na
eh.
ngayon eh. Oo.
ito na yun. Tsaka
Bakit? Kasi sobra-sobra na?
Kasi
Sobra-sobra,
sobra na,
yeah.
napapagod. Parang I would talk to brides sobra silang, yung first exhale nila,
Oo.
after party pa lang.
Ah.
Imagine mo yung pagod nila the whole day kasi on ano sila on, alam mo yung parang
Adrenaline na
show
sila.
on game face on mag-off lang sila, magiging sarili lang siya sa after party na.
I think one of the nicest compliments that a photo and video team could ever receive from a bride after the wedding is that I felt so comfortable and relaxed the whole time with you guys.
Yun.
It's one of
I
the
barely even notice you're there.
yeah, I
Ganun,
love those compliments.
Dapat
Sometimes even better, I love the video. Like I mean, granted na yan, you know. Pero to be told that you're a good presence the entire day during the wedding, that's a great thing.
Yung sa photographer side kasi, parang ako, sa totoo lang 50-50 nga. Talaga yan.
photographer talaga eh.
Men, ano yan eh.
Direct.
Hindi, totoo yan. Like, ito, best example. Pag kasabay ko si Kuya J,
Ah.
hindi siya mapapagawa ng
Oh,
sa utak ko. Okay, maubusan na naman ako. Ako na bahala dito. Pero ako na bahala dito. Pero in a way, ang gusto ko sigurong parang iparating din sa mga bride and groom. Parang it really depends kung ano yung gusto mo. And then, we'll help you achieve that. Parang ipapaliwanag namin sa iyo, gusto mo ba ng, ano bang shot yung gusto mo? Or what are your, ang question ko lagi, ano yung dream wedding mo?
Yeah.
Doon pa lang, pag nagkwento sila, I will have a background kung ano ang trip nila sa buhay.
Yes. Ano importante sa
Oo.
kanila, no?
Tapos dyan ko na pwedeng ipapasok niya. Anong gusto nyo ba? Gusto nyo ba mag-photoshoot or makimingle? Alo, parang magandang idea yung makimingle. Sige, just give me 15 minutes para may
Portrait man lang.
portrait pa rin kayo para sa album nyo.
Diba? Photographer
So,
talaga.
it's photographer talaga. Pero yun yung sobrang ina-advocate ko is you have to give all the information that you can sa clients para pag makadecide sila na, ay, gusto ko yan. Ito, kahit huwag na natin gawin. So,
Tsaka para at
ito
the end,
wedding
no, wala silang hahanapin. Bakit wala tayong ganito? Wala
Mahirap
tayong
yun,
ganyan.
yung
Hindi mo na
hahanapan
ma-recreate
ka na hindi
eh.
nangyari.
Oo.
Di ba? So,
Ayun
ano
pa.
talaga?
Oo.
Usap talaga.
Pero Jace, is a relaxed wedding also coordinator dependent?
Oh, yeah,
May
I feel
certain
so.
coordinators
I feel so,
ba
yeah.
na pag yan talagang
Oh, yeah.
relax lang?
There are some coordinators who really, really stick to a schedule, and that's a good thing. Some people are more relaxed. Some people give more leeway. Some give more leeway, and therefore, I really think that there are some weddings which are more relaxed. But it's also it's also place dependent. Like I don't expect a Shangri-La BGC wedding to be that relaxed because there's so many moving parts. You have 500 people as guests. You have ingress of like 50 people involved. Lights, trusses. There's a show. Maybe side A or Joey G is playing later. So many moving parts. You can't expect that to be relaxed, right? If you're doing Antonios, you're doing Nuvali maybe, or perhaps a smaller wedding in just a restaurant, then there's a lot more leeway. So I know what to expect na in any given place setting. So, if it's Lake Hall, this is going to be so relaxed. This is easy, especially if the ceremony is going to be there, right? But if it's going to be at a reception hall in one of the major hotels in Manila, in Makati,
Granted
alam mo
na
na,
talaga.
alam mo na yan na, hey, there's traffic, there are other things to be considered there.
Mima, sa tingin mo, ba't nawawala yung supplier?
Marami nawawala yung believe nila sa sarili. Feeling nila, pag may influx na ng bago, wala na sila. Like ako, when I felt na irrelevant na yung wow, hindi naman pala eh. Dahil naka-secret group ako. Nung ginawa kong private group, nakapasok na sila. Kasi pag secret group, hindi sila makakapasok eh. Pero hindi ko siya may isip at that time because I always felt laos na. Nako, parang
So, ganun yun. Pag naisip mo sa sarili mo
yun
na
yung
wala
nakikita
na,
mo eh.
nakikita mo tapos na,
oo,
suko
tapos
ka
yung
na.
energy mo ang negative,
Oo.
negative. Walang mag-i-inquire sa'yo. Maski may mag-inquire sa'yo, hindi matutuwa yung nag-i-inquire sa'yo. Kasi
Pangit.
ikaw mismo, oo.
Napoproject
oo.
yung...
Nafe-feel ka talaga, sobrang big part nung energy mo on how
Devil's
it is.
advocate, hindi ba pwedeng it's just a badly run business?
It's a what?
It's just a badly run business. That's why
It's also
nawala.
it's also that. It's also
It's also
that.
that.
Pero sa wedding industry, sa lakas ng sa dami.
Dapat hindi. Feeling mo, okay, I get.
Pero feeling ko
Like
ngayon,
if you put out a service which people want and you're not the best but you're okay.
yes.
Dapat yan tuloy-tuloy. Understood.
So,
Or
yun.
baka ina-expect mo forever kang peak and hindi mo matanggap, less peak ka na pero okay pa rin naman the business. Baka nade-deflate ka, baka nalulose mo yung confidence mo also kasi it wasn't as good as before anymore.
Yes.
So, yun lang.
Kailangan nila ng tamang circle.
Medyo factor ba yung changes in technology, in marketing?
Yes. Sa maraming bagay, oo eh. Parang there are a lot of people we know na alam mo talagang napag-iwanan na. Na hindi na nakasabay.
Kaya mag-aral tayong AI.
I think for photography and videography, technology is really tied to what we do, right? I mean, it doesn't mean that we have to buy all the latest and the greatest, but there are always tools which are new, no? And I think more than that, more than tools, it's also changing of tastes.
Yeah.
So that's why, if you don't kind of adjust to what people are into right now, you will be left behind.
Totoo yan.
So you don't need to do a complete turnaround of what works for you because at the start this is what works for you and that is what you have established, but it doesn't mean that
That's
you have to
the
change everything,
Yeah.
right?
At saka hindi ka pwede stuck dyan
Correct.
forever.
You always have to have leeway for evolving
Yes.
and changing and adapting to the times.
Yes.
Definitely.
Parang ano yan eh, super galing ka dito sa style na to, pero kailangan may 10% or 15% ka na iba also. Kasi kung forever ka dyan, what
Sasawa.
if
Yeah.
maubos mawala talaga siya. Wala ka na. So, dapat may percentage ka rin na inaaral mo din ano yung mga iba pong pwede na masaya ka pa rin sa output mo.
Totoo.
Mag-evolve ka. Like
Oo.
ngayon, sa photography, gusto nila blurred. 5 years ago, di ba? Parang kailangan
Yes.
malinaw.
Oo.
Pero ngayon,
Oo.
yung mga moving shots,
Yeah.
ako dati hindi ako nagtatagilid na shots. Pero ngayon,
Ah.
tagilid natin yan. Di ba? Pero, tama yung sinabi mo, Mima, yung kung ano yung ginagawa ko na confident ako,
Yes.
nandun pa rin yun.
Oo.
But
Hindi ka
itong
pwede
mga-
mag-copy lang.
Itong mga bago na ginagawa ko, yung 10%,
Yes.
sprinkle na yan na, kumbaga secondary na. kaya
Hanggang
ko rin yan.
mahanap mo ano yung
Oo.
magtatatak ulit sa'yo.
Pero nakakatuwa rin.
Oo.
Parang, uy, okay yan na. Nagawa ko siya. And then, maganda naman. Nagustuhan naman. Sige, retain natin yan. Parang gano'n.
Ayan, habang wala pang question, meron pa kasang tanong. Kasi, halimbawa, ako, introvert akong tao, hindi ako ma-post sa social media. Never. Ayoko mag-post dyan. Kailangan ko bang mag-post para magpansin ako nung ka-supplier ko? Supplier?
Supplier?
Ang
Client dapat.
pinapapansin mo,
Client,
client.
oo.
Mag-hire ka ng social
Hire.
media.
You gotta
get
manager.
somebody.
Oo.
Kailangan mo.
You always outsource the stuff you do not like doing.
So,
that you
Or you're not good at.
you're not
Yeah.
good at. So that you retain where you are happy at.
So, kailangan.
Kailangan.
Oh, yeah.
Kailangan kang
Feeling ko
mag-post.
kailangan.
No?
Oo.
Kasi ngayon,
Pwede kang magmatigas, wag kang mag-post. Pero pag nafe-feel mo, hindi dumadami yung bookings mo, then do something. Baka yan ang pwede mong gawin. Pero kung it works for you na wala ka, pero ang ganda ng presence mo sa community sa Soon to Weds, baka hindi mo talaga kailangan. 'Di ba? May mga kakilala tayo,
May
hindi
ganun.
naman nagpo-post,
Just by
pero
word of mouth.
punong-puno yung schedule nila. So, ikaw makakasagot kung do I need to push or do I need I'm okay, happy na ako sa ko.
Can you
load
give
ko.
an example of a supplier that you're familiar with? Like, wala masyadong social media presence.
Ayoko, baka wala lang siya sa algorithm ko. Pero may mga ganon. May mga ganon. Parang, si Randolph, isa yan sa, ang dami pala niyang clients.
Barong?
Randolph Evans.
Random event. Okay.
Oo. Parang, and then parang sabi ko, alam mo palagi siya nakikita sa suppliers rating. And then I spoke with somebody, sabi niya, Sir Raulo, ang dami-dami client nun. Okay, so I didn't know. Oo. So parang,
Kasi tahimik siya eh, no?
kaya maganda sa wedding industry kung wala ka na or nandyan ka, nobody really knows.
Keep your cards close.
Yes.
Keep your cards close.
Ganda nun. Wala na magtatanong.
May question dito.
Sige,
Sino
sige.
ang masusunod? Coordinator's timeline or studio's timeline?
Yeah.
Ayan. Ako...
Meet in the middle. Dapat yan,
Napag-uusapan
napag-usapan yan meeting before the actual wedding day.
Ako lang naman yung call time lang naman medyo inaano ko eh. Na pag halimbawa pagka nakita ko medyo malayo yung church sa preps, nag-adjust ako ng konti. Kahit mga 30 minutes. Baka kung 9 o'clock, baka pwede kami dyang 8:30. No? Kung 1 o'clock yung wedding, parang ganun.
Parang usually dapat ang tanong, parang kailan dapat matapos kaysa kailan ka dapat papasok. Parang kunyari, dapat ready by ganitong time. Dapat basta parang pag 10 o'clock aalis na kami. So ikaw mag-adjust. Gaano ka ba katagal mag-shoot? Gaano ba katagal mag-ano?
Usually kasama na eh.
Oo.
Kasama na.
Oo.
Like yung, ako 5 hours. 5
5 hours ka.
Pero kasama na dun yung, okay, pwede tayong umalis ng maaga
Oo.
para relax lang. Or pwede akong sakto dumating or like earlier than 30 minutes.
Pero hindi mali yung photographer na 3 hours before siya darating.
Hindi,
Diba?
hindi.
Parang kanya-kanya yun eh. So,
Oo.
Kaya
ikaw
niya tapusin.
nakakaalam kung ano yung pace mo.
Yes, yung kaya man tapusin eh.
Oo, kasi minsan 'di ba parang nako-compare yan eh. Parang buti pa siya, ang aga niya dumating, ito hindi. Parang it's not that eh.
Kasi ang problema naman doon, kung 3 hours nakagawa na yung bride, hindi pa napapalisin yun. Kung ano yung abutan mo, yun na yun. 'Di ba?
At sure ka na hindi ka hanapan.
Na hindi ka hanapan. No? Yun lang naman yun. So yung iba kasi, yun nga, gawa nung meron na tayong mga overtime fees, di ba? So nagle-less na yung preps, no? Ayun. So medyo yun. Yung sa amin kasi, yung mga 5 hours, yun before. Kasi nga, medyo komplikado yung video eh. Hindi namin kailangan ng 3 hours. So yun na lang yun. Kung malayo yung ceremony at 3 hours ka pa rin dadating, baka maging 2 hours na lang yun. Di ba?
Kaya usap talaga yung kung ano yung time like siguro usually may iba nangyayari call time mag-message si coordinator 7 hours before. So papaliwanag ko lang, ay ano po ako 5 hours before po.
Nagkaroon kami ng isang wow lunch tapos mga MC lahat. Tapos may nagtanong, sino dapat masunod? MC's program or coordinator's program? I was so proud of the answers of the MCs. Sabi niya, we see theirs. And then if it doesn't make sense, we just point out, why like this? Can we do it like that?
Yeah.
Parang we do not shut down what the coordinators say because what if may maganda? Parang it's not because our script is like this, ito na palagi. Ang galing, no? To think na si Eri yata yung nagsabi nun eh. Parang I was really expecting MC ego. I didn't feel it at all. So parang I was super impressed.
Mayayabang ba mga MC?
No, not MC. Pero these are people super made na yung mga guests nung lunch table eh. So parang feeling
You
ko.
would think.
Feeling ko they know they are not. Parang ang ganda lang nung sagot na parang I would listen. What if?
Pero yung program nun, sila rin naman nasusunod. Program yung games, di ba?
Sila
Hindi,
gagawa
hindi.
na-
Yung sa
gagawa.
program nga, sila yung pinag-usapan parang kung saan ilalagay yung game, saan ilalagay yung
Okay.
ganito, kung may binigay ba yung coordinator, papakinggan ba natin kung hindi yan yung style natin? Oo, ang sagot nila. As long as it makes sense or it will work.
Okay.
We just point it out if it doesn't
yung
work.
mga
So, ang galing.
coordinator kasi natin, kung sa basketball, yan yung point guard eh. Kailangan, yun pa rin yung tutulong sa'yo eh.
Aparientos.
Actually, alam mo, sa wedding industry, walang small player. It's like parang ikaw, super galing kang MC. Pero kung hindi magaling yung spinner or yung nandoon sa sound system,
Apektado ka.
wala ka rin kwenta eh. 'Di ba? So, there's really no small player kasi everybody plays a part.
Tama. May tanong si Henry Sanchez. When do you know when you need to stop doing weddings?
Ikaw na yung
You will
makakasagot
know.
nun
You will
eh.
know eh. Parang you tried so hard, hindi ka talaga makapenetrate anymore. Hindi ka lahat na ginawa mo. Nag-social media ka na, in-attempt mo na, trinay mo nang mag-hire,
Nag-workshop ka na.
nag-workshop ka na, tapos hindi talaga, parang you would know. You would know.
So, stop na.
Kaya
And you're
actually,
the only one who's supposed to answer that.
when I do workshops for Sony, for videography, for hobbyists or beginners, I always like add a caveat which states that, not everybody needs to be a professional. You don't need to make money out of this. Because if this is a hobby and you enjoy what you're doing, you enjoy this videography and photography, that doesn't mean you have to earn, di ba? Earn off it during the weekends because Una-una, baka yan yung ikasira ng hobby mo eh. Love na love mo, tapos biglang magiging
Dread na,
source
no?
of stress,
Oo,
di ba? So, it's not gonna be for you. And, you know, and the blunt truth is, not everybody can be good at it. You know, you can try, but, you know, you have to face sooner or later, like, if you are really good enough to charge. And if not, it's fine. Because people need the society needs people who do other things. You know, we don't need to be all videographers and photographers. We need people who work in banks. We need people who work in 9-to-5 jobs. We need people who sell breastfeeding machines in Lazada.
Mayaman.
It's something.
We got
no?
it.
We don't need to be it's nice that you're creative and you have an outlet, but you don't need to be making money out of it. Yeah.
Si Tito Al, nakausap ko, parang,
Kalbo yun.
oo. parang sinasabi niya, parang mas happy pa siya ngayon na nag-freelance siya and he earns more pa than when he had a studio. Parang he removed the things he doesn't like doing and he just concentrated on the things he liked doing.
Martinez.
Al Martinez.
Oh.
Tito Al.
Oh.
And then parang I also met a lot of suppliers na hindi na sila super into wedding, pero hindi sila naubusan ng client kasi may suki na sila because they were good.
Yes.
So may stylist na every dinner ni Miss ganito, ni Madam ganyan, palagi siyang nag-style. Alam mo, parang pag super good ka na at may following ka na, maski pa hindi na nagra-run yung business mo, you're still being called to do these things for their private events. Kasi ikaw na yung forever nilang florista or ikaw na yung forever nilang coordinator or photographer. Hindi ka talaga mazi-0, 0, 0 if you're really good at it.
May kilala rin ako na nagwe-wedding dati pero sumuko siya. Nagbe-birthday siya ngayon. Ang lakas siya sa birthday. Di ba? Sobrang, sabi niya, yaman. Sabi ko, ay son, buti naisip mo yung ganung
Yes.
ano.
So may mga satellite things na pwedeng mangyari na adjacent, no? Adjacent.
Oo.
Ayan.
Pag-uusapan ba natin yung bilyonaryo? Nagpasalamat na eh, no?
Pwede mo sabihin. Bilis.
Ano ba yun? Sige nga. Ano ba yung billionaire na yan? Sige nga.
Set the record straight.
Oh yeah. Oh, so there was like a couple of weeks ago, there was a clip going around in Facebook specifically. I think it was also on TikTok where a lot of planners and coordinators got really offended because they were put in a very bad light. That I think in the show there was mention of manipulation of whatever's happening. And I got associated with it. Because I was the guest there. Let's set the record straight. Well, you know, initially, may statement pa tayo, Ben. So parang hindi na, no? Let it die na lang a natural death. Which it actually, everything dies down in social media. Everybody forgets. Up next to the news cycle. I just want to set the record straight that, you know, I have utmost respect for our fellow planners. Like, as you said, you know, the wedding will not move without them. They're the point guards, right? I was asked a question and I answered that I wish that the weddings in Metro Manila in the Philippines would be more free-flowing, organic, and less structured because our weddings right here, medyo nagiging dekahon. That's exactly the word that I said. No, maybe it was a bad choice of words. Maybe it wasn't. No, but that's how I felt.
Yeah.
Remember, guys, this was live. This was live, like really, and I was on my toes because when I was asked that question, diba, it's very incendiary. Eh. What don't you like about weddings? Like, okay, all right, because all the questions in that interview was like off topic.
Yeah.
All right. And and the farm clip was that about planners being manipulating, quote unquote,
Yun nga.
whatever's happening. I do not believe that for one second, of course. In the defense, the host is a friend of mine. And you know, we go a long way back. I mean, a show is a show, and people say things, and you know, whatever gets interest or attention. So there.
Parang more on ano siya eh, parang may sinabi yung host, bakit hindi daw kinorek ni Jason. But I get it, live siya, tapos sobrang magbuga yung question na taga ang bilis and very familiar siya. So parang Jason, Jason just had to be on his toes. Wala nang time para mag-correct. Parang, wag lang ako malunod, okay na ako. So
Hindi,
parang
pati-
it was hurtful also to the suppliers kasi parang they were seen in a bad light. So parang understandable yung pain nila.
Yeah.
Pero
Pero
kasi
yun
kung,
nga.
kung yung reel lang yung papanoorin mo, medyo
Maski pinanood nila yung buo kasi it was parang sana kinorek ni Jason or sana sinabi na parang hindi nila minamanipulate. They are just
Pero kasi-
doing that what they have to do because this is what the couple wants.
hindi mo naman pwedeng kontrahin yun dahil yun yung opinion niya at yun yung nakikita niya eh.
Pero wala kasi siya sa wedding industry eh. Parang
Diba?
kung na-explain
Yun
mo
nga.
sana na hindi.
Alright. Okay.
Medyo
Understand.
marami-raming essay ang naisulat dyan. Eh.
Diba?
So, may essay
Yes.
writing contest yan. Eh. So, gets ko naman.
Gets naman.
You know, for me naman, like, I don't go on Facebook much anymore. And, you know, you filter out things that, you know, that doesn't align with your
Pero
vibe.
that's easy eh. Parang yan yung isa sa mga case na kung gusto mo intindihin, kayang-kaya. Kung gusto mo siyang hindi intindihin, kayang-kaya.
Totoo yan.
Yun lang yun eh. Oo.
Totoo yun.
Oo.
Basta tayo dapat friends tayo lahat, no?
We can choose to think better of other people, especially those who are different
And
from
we always say something, Benz, no? If a person does not like you, whatever you do, that person will
people
not like
will
you.
like you, people will hate you, and it has nothing to do with you.
yes, right?
That's exactly it.
Oh, correct.
Yes.
Ganda.
At dito lang po yan sa Monochrome.
Sa monochrome. Ayan.
Exclusive! Nandito po tayo
Sign
ngayon.
up kayo sa wow ko! Dali.
Ayan.
This is fun, This is so fun, yeah.
Ayan,
We
Mima.
should go there we should go here, Ace, every day, no? Leave at 5 p.m., 6 p.m. from Makati, arrive at 8:20.
We caught the sunset.
Ayan, Mima, any advice sa mga co-supplier or sa bride, no?
Okay, sa co-supplier, if you're not in a good place, it's just you who is getting yourself that way. You can always change. So, wag mong isipin ibang tao ang tutulong sa'yo to get out of it. It's all on you. So, find ways, find good people to help you get out of it. And sobrang ganda ng wedding industry. I've been here for 27 years. I have super duper close friends outside work na talagang real friends. So, it's such a wonderful place to be in. And then to the soon-to-weds, enjoy the wedding preps. Enjoy it. Sobra siyang nakakamiss. And parang palagi yung sinasabi sa soon-to-wed pag nakilala ko, parang how you are preparing for your wedding is how your life is going to be. So if you
Wow,
if you
really?
see red flags right now, like
Stop the wedding.
no. Pag kunyari, you feel like ikaw sobrang kang kuripot tapos sobrang magastos yung partner mo, discuss it already right
Di ba
now.
balance yun?
Kasi kung ano kayo, mga siraulo kayo. Kung ano kayo when you're preparing for your wedding, ganun rin yan.
Sa buhay.
Pag bahay na, pag anak na. So now is the best time to discuss those things. Parang, I've always lived frugally ever since. So it makes me panicky when I see you spend this much. Parang you discuss things. If you learn how to discuss and how you communicate, there's no topic you cannot discuss. Because if the simplest things right now, hindi nyo mapag-usapan, ang dami nyong itatago sa isa't isa.
Oo nga,
And
no?
that is where all the problems will start. So, ngayon, ipag-aralan na ninyo habang nagpe-prepare kayo for the wedding, what are the things you need to discuss more and what are the things you need to... Kasi ibang-iba ang mga tao eh.
Yes.
You have to make them understand, him understand you. He or she should also understand you where you are coming from. Kasi kailangan nyo talagang mag-meet.
Tama.
Ito, super practice to. Walang tamang tao, walang maling tao. Maling pagsasalita at saka tamang pagsasalita lang.
Nice. Ganda.
Tandaan yan.
Oo.
Tandaan natin lahat yan.
But if you book Law,
Oo.
Cinema Works, or Jason
Magbanwa.
Magbanwa, it's gonna be a perfect marriage.
Sama natin
Yan.
stellar
Yes.
stories.
Stellar
Stellar
stories.
Great
Pero attend
Sundays.
kayo ng
Great
WowCon.
Sundays.
Ayan. Tapos, member ba kayo ng WOW? Di ba?
Perfect marriage.
Perfect marriage yun.
I wish.
So, okay, I love what you said, no? Is it also a good thing na parang, Han, sige, go, like book whoever you want. Ako bahala. Is that a good thing?
If they can afford it, perfect, di ba? Parang,
I will
who
make
doesn't
you,
want
I will
one?
make you happy the rest of
Oo,
your life.
pero kung hindi nyo naman siya problem, hindi naman yung problem yung money, di good.
Pero kahit hindi kayo hindi kayo sync ng couple nyo, basta tama yung sinabi mo, basta tayo nakabook, magiging perfect wedding yan.
Whether para
Gaganda
sa
yan.
hindi,
Gaganda
no?
yan. Kami bahala.
We will make you like our work.
Gaganda buhay nyo. Magaganda pagsasama nyo. Ayun, maraming salamat, Mima.
Thank you, Marvin.
Ayan, sana magkita
Thank you,
tayo.
Monochrome.
And syempre, Boss Jason Magbanwa, thank you very much sa pagpapaunlak. And Lota Palya, last show.
Bakit ako mapir?
joke lang.
Last day ko na pala ngayon. Buti na nag-thank you ako sa sponsors ko.
Kapag-hi ka mga iba din.
Ayan. Ayun, thank you very much. Salamat sa mga sumubaybay and see you next week. Wala pala next week kasi nasa Wacom ako. Meron tayong recording ba? Meron ba tayong recording, mga kambal? Try natin. Try natin.
Ganyan po tayo ka-organize
Oo.
dito.
Medyo busy talaga kami. Medyo dami namin trabaho, dami namin shoot. Kaya yun, maraming salamat.
Maraming
Hindi sa summer. Sa summer mga to eh.
Summer kami.
Late
yan. Oo, late.
Oh, magandang wedding yun. Magandang
Oo.
nangyari doon.
Medyo, yun. Salamat. Babay na ako.
Thank you.
thank you. Monochrome, signing off. Peace out.